we are going live. Let me just ensure the stream is working and everything. Before we start, I'm just going to ensure that the stream is working. Alright, yeah, we should be good. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Hurricane HQ. Today we're going to be doing some live coverage of this event. Right now we just had a tornado warning which was expired just moments ago. Although we do have some severe thunderstorms still moving through portions of northern Alabama, northern Mississippi. Some of those areas there is a lot going on, and we also have a pretty good area of rotation here in this is actually near Viola and Morrison. This is actually being picked up as a TVS or
donut on that one actually.
Yeah, I'm not seeing that yet.
It's kind of forming actually.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. Yeah. But that's what we will be tracking today. So again, welcome to the stream, everyone. Just make sure that everyone can hear me correctly before we actually start. All right, we should be good. Now, real quick,
Should I activate my warning display?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! I haven't used this thing since, like, ever. For a long time. Oh my god. One step.
All right. So now we can start out the stream. So thank you everyone for coming in. So yeah, right now I will quickly go over the forecast and what is currently going on right now, and then after that I will be going into some live coverage on radar. I'll be doing some live storm analysis and everything like that, live tornado analysis and all that in just a few minutes. But first, I would like to show everyone what is currently happening here. So here on the Storm Prediction Center's website, we can take a look at all of our current watches and warnings here. So I can actually go onto this overview page here. And you can see right here, this is actually our current watches. This is the watch situation here. And you can see a lot of tornado watches have been issued for a lot of different areas here. All this area right here is a tornado watch. So if you're in any of these areas outlined by red, you are in a tornado watch, and you have to be weather aware and ready for a few tornadoes if any do occur.
We actually sorry to interrupt, but we actually have a for the one that was near Viola, that's actually picking up some rotation, and if you actually look at Enrot, it's actually starting to increase a little bit. And we did just have a donut, but it looks like it's kind of getting a little bit more rain wrapped right now.
Yeah. And if anyone is wondering what we mean when we say a donut, we usually when you see a donut type formation on radar, that usually indicates a very strong updraft.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, I could see Enrot is definitely firing up. So we could be seeing something happening in this area. Reaction fan just said, where did the last tornado touch down? The one we were just tracking a few minutes ago?
The one that was confirmed, that one was near Elkton, Tennessee.
So that's your answer. The last one that touched down was near Elkton, Tennessee.
And Prospect.
And Prospect.
It's actually Prospect.
Same thing. Yeah, so we currently have a few severe thunderstorms. I will go over a few. So this,
look at the storm near Fayetteville in Tennessee. Basically south of Nashville, like literally like all the way down to the border of Tennessee.
oh yeah, Fayetteville. There looks like there could be some rotation firing up there as well. Possibly something actually happening. Let's see. You had a slight debris ball right there, so we will have to watch out this area here near Fayetteville, just to the west of Fayetteville here. You can see we have some pretty tight rotation in this area here. And if we take a look at correlation coefficient, you can kind of see that little area right there, that little dot there, which could mean that there could be some debris being picked up by a possible tornado.
Well, the NROT was looking amazing before the next update.
And the NROD here, if we actually go back one frame, this is what it was showing. So a lot was happening in the past frame. This frame, not as much, although still something to look out for. So I would say if you're to the west of Fayetteville, anywhere in that area, please, please, please watch out, because there could possibly be something going on there, where it be a funnel cloud or something along those lines there. So definitely watch out if you're in those areas.
Yeah.
And we currently have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Cherokee. I'll highlight some of the most important parts of this. So this is a severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee, Barton, Tuscabia, Sherifield. If you're anywhere around those areas, a severe thunderstorm is about to impact your area. And this severe thunderstorm is bringing wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour and some hail, possibly around 0.75 inch, and I'd say up to around an inch. You can see that hail.
That hail where we were just at on that storm in Fayetteville, there is hail, and it's actually picking it up on CC, so there is some pretty decent hail that radar is picking up.
Yeah,
Awesome.
You can see this hail right here. Right here, there is some hail. And if I actually go right to CC, you can see right there, that is confirmed hail right there. So there is a hail threat with this storm near Fayetteville.
Yeah.
So I'm saying anyone near Petersburg, Howell, and Frankie Wing, please, or any in between that area, definitely watch out for some pretty decent sized hail. It looks to be a very low population in that area. It's kind of in the middle of all these towns, although honestly I'd say still watch out, because there could be some people being affected in those areas.
Did you see the storm in Cherokee, right?
Yeah.
You said that, okay.
Yeah, that storm also has some pretty decent hail on it.
Yeah.
And I'd watch out for the one near Cherokee. That one actually looks like the worst storm.
Oh, it's actually kind of, go to the KGWX radar and look at the one in Cherokee. Potentially something devastating, kind of looking monster, little tiny storm, definitely picking up on that one. It has like a nice defined bow shape on it. It's definitely something pretty big.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, just that. Definitely huge bow on that one. Definitely bowing out on that one.
Yeah. Let me just post this to my Twitter page real quick. I'm sorry for this. Alright, and if we go back to the stream real quick, so yeah, again, very damaging hail near Cherokee, and we actually just got a hail report in. Never mind, that's old. Quick update on the one near Cherokee. There is a little bit of rotation there. So this storm near Cherokee, I don't know if this is rotation or just strong winds.
I would look in 1 minute.
Does not look like rotation.
Trying to. Where are these emojis?
What are you talking about?
No, I'm trying to. I said good luck to someone, and I'm trying to find the thumbs up emoji, but I can't find it.
It doesn't matter.
I'm just gonna find it.
Well, we have a possible tornado. Well, we have a TVS somehow on the storm near Barton and Cherokee. There is a slight CC drop as well with it.
I said PDS.
And hey, William, welcome to the stream. Another one of those junk messages that are just on there.
It kind of looks like it's okay. Well, there's a no update warning. That's a significant bowing. Like that came out of nowhere.
Oh yeah, there is definitely significant bowing with this storm right here.
If it decides to, and we have the right atmosphere in these areas, and we start to get that strong potential rotation, and that bow segment right there could potentially turn into a hook, and then that could start the tornado probabilities for that area.
Okay, so I'm just looking at the radar now. I was looking at the wrong radar tower. It turns out there is a lot of rotation, possibly with the storm. Take a look at that. This is definitely some rotation here.
Yes,
We something rotating. It's not exactly the most organized at the moment, but there's also a CC drop with this, so honestly, there could be a tornado on the ground.
Very big NROT on it as well.
Oh, is there?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Take a look at that. Yeah. I'm a bit concerned about this storm here near Cherokee. It's heading straight for the Tuscumbia and Florence area. Like right in the middle.
Yep.
So if you're in Florence or Tuscumbia, I'd say get to your safe place.
If you're in Central, I cannot pronounce that. Ladorable? No. Ladordale County. I don't know how to say that, but I'm just going to say, sorry for pronouncing it wrong, but Ladordale County in central Ladordale County in northwest Alabama. Definitely say get to your safe shelter for not only the hail and the potential of a tornado, but the wind as well. As you can see, it is, and also the hail is just significant on this one. So definitely something to keep in mind, as hail is pretty much spiking on this storm, and also heavy rainfall out of it, as it's moving fast, but also torrential rainfall that could potentially lead to flooding in low-lying areas.
Yeah, and I'm pretty concerned about this one. If it does get a bit more together, which it could be doing right now. Yeah, this storm is getting a lot better. It is radar indicated winds of 141 mile per hour with this storm. Whoa. And that is touching negative, yeah, that's a positive negative touching. We definitely have some kind of rotation happening right here. I'm scared there might be a tornado on the ground right here.
Oh, look at this CC.
Yeah, there is most likely a tornado on the ground right now.
NROT spiking. NROT kind of really tells you where there's a possibility of that rotation and a possibility of tornado. And right now, the NROT is spiking on that.
Yeah. I'd honestly say that they're likely going to issue a tornado warning on this any second.
Yeah, there could be a tornado warning. If anything, they really need to update the tornado to the warning to tornado possible as well.
Yeah, I'm surprised it wasn't already. I'd say anywhere in this cone that I just made here is kind of where you need to watch out. Maybe even extend it slightly more north here. You should watch out if you're in this area.
Let's just say if you are in Florence and the
Tuscumbia?
the Tuscumbia area, you need to definitely get to your safe shelter right now, and especially Florence, because you're about to get hit right now, because you're gonna get pretty much, if anything, Florence, you might get a little bit of everything. You might go through the Vale on the northern part of it, and then get the pendant right there near Barton. And then you're going to go through the rest. So there could potentially be some flooding in Florence, but also the possibility of going through a little bit of everything. Even that rotation, too. You could potentially go through that.
Yeah. And even if you don't get directly impacted by this tornado or possible tornado, there is definitely very strong winds with this thunderstorm here.
Yeah.
So if you're in Tuscumbia, Muscle Shoals, Sherifield, Florence, any of these areas, Petersville, Underwood, if you're in these areas, please, please, please get to your safe place. Remember, you want to get to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home. Preferably a basement or like an interior bathroom with no windows. A hall closet would work. Any of those areas really are the best places to go. So honestly, just get to that safe place wherever it may be, as there could be a tornado on the ground right now, and I don't think you really want to be taking that risk right now. Just judging by the radar presentation here, I would not want to be on the ground here. And yeah.
Read this real quick to see what this is. Oh, HQ.
Yeah.
Just look at my. I'm just gonna show you something, and you just gotta look for a quick second, and then go to geotornadoes. Okay, quick second. Okay, now go off. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you.
Wait, what did it show?
We'll talk about it later.
Go back. I want to see it real quick.
Okay.
Oh. All right.
Look at that.
I see. All right.
So much.
Yeah, let's go back to the we're getting a little off topic there. Well, on topic.
Yeah.
Whatever. Yeah, so currently pretty dangerous storm currently occurring here near Tuscumbia.
Florence already getting on it, and actually this rotation picking up significantly right now. Enrot still looking pretty impressive, and then correlation coefficient possibility of still actually. There's a little bit of a small circle right there of Enrot. A little tiny circle right there.
You mean CC?
Something to watch out for, but we still have a threat for Tuscumbia and for Florence. And Florence, you're actually getting it right now.
Yeah, Tuscumbia and Florence, right? It looks like the tornado is hitting straight in between these two areas. So it can go either way. Either of these towns or cities could be impacted. I just say if you're in this area, please, 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 just take cover immediately. Because something could be happening here. Right here. This is getting a little bit too close to for comfort here. In portions of Florence in Tuscumbia here. If we actually look at the warning now. Still no tornado possible on the warning. I don't know why they aren't putting that tornado possible there.
Yeah.
Honestly, it is needed. All right. We have some breaking news. A new severe thunderstorm warning was just issued, and no tornado possible.
You want me to get my thing up, my sound?
What?
The warning. The thing. What's it called? My alert system.
You can do it.
Okay. And we actually have a new severe thunderstorm warning for Louisville. I don't know if they pronounce it Louisville here, because I know in Kentucky they pronounce it Louisville. So I'm not sure. I'm just going to say Louisville. So Louisville. McMallen. No, there's a severe thunderstorm warning there, for Winston, and
Wait, what state is this?
this is Mississippi.
Oh.
So this is for Winston, whoa. Definitely a hard word to say there. These counties, some counties just don't make sense.
You could skip the counties, honestly.
We're just going to say Winston County because that's where it's affecting currently right now. So Winston County, right now, you're getting affected, northern Winston County. And then it does go for, I can't see that county either, but going for that county, towards Starkville and Longview. So something to watch out because that's has some pretty decent hail on it, as well. I have a little bit of rotation on that one as well. Yeah, pretty, that's rotation right there for you. So yeah, we have some rotation to definitely worry about on that one. That's coming right from Bethel. Beth-Adan. So something to watch out there. How's this? Okay, I see. It kind of looks now, it's just like a Boeing, maybe even a clustered storm right here in Florence. I can't really tell where the rotation is. There's a few different spots, but I think it's more of a wind event maybe right now.
Yeah, and we just got a comment from My Soundsful. They said that I think Louisville is slang. That is, I mean, possibly, yeah.
Potentially.
Yeah, it kind of sounds like it is. Give me 1 second, actually. I am gonna go take a break and eat dinner. I'll hand the stream over to you if you'd like.
Okay.
All right.
But definitely for this one in Mississippi, I'm just gonna call it Louisville.
All right, that sounds fine to me.
All right. Hello, everyone. So we have this one still in for the Florence. Also the Sheffield, Tuscumba area. We have this storm. You can kind of tell. I have to.
Why do you take it off?
I'm resharing my screen. Okay. So right here, you can kind of see.
All right, I'll leave it to you.
Okay. You can kind of see where it's kind of bowing or kind of starting like a line. And then we have a line over here. So we could potentially be seeing a little bit of a bow segment coming out of this storm here. And you can definitely see it on the southern edge of this storm. So something interesting happening with this storm. And then we have the one down here. Definitely something to watch out for. Okay, no new comments. Good. Let's check up on some other storms. How about we do that? Since we've already been talking about the one here and the one here for quite a bit of while. So we have a storm in Kentucky, and we have a storm, and that's actually it. That's the only state besides Mississippi and Alabama we have a warning. Let's check up on this storm. A little bit of rotation starting on this one near Mulberry, and moving towards the Lynchburg in Moore County. I don't know why it has that. Slap that comma right there. But moving towards the Lynchburg and the Moore County area. Something interesting happening there. It could be just the winds just blowing, but it could also be rotation right there. So something to watch out for, and you can kind of see we have a little bit of an appendage right there. Let's just look at CC, Enrod. So definitely could just be some wind coming out of this storm, coming in for that area. Just a special weather statement in effect for that area. We have winds exceeding 14 miles per hour on that storm. Okay, no new warnings, good. Though they got rid of that one in Kentucky, but we'll still go to it. We do have tornado watches all the way up here into Kentucky and Tennessee area, even a little bit of Virginia right there. So we do have some tornado watches pretty far up. And it looks like we have a line of storms based off INROT, maybe even Boeing. Let's just make sure and check on here. And yeah, INROT was right. We do have some line right here. We have a kind of bit of a bow summit coming to Pittsburgh. And then we have a line moving through the Middlesbrough area. Something to watch out. I'm going to go to the Letcher County area in, where is this? This is Kentucky. Yeah. Kentucky. And Whitesburg, you're just about to get hit with some strong winds. You can definitely see on radar that we are seeing, what radar marking? Okay, good radar. So you can kind of see where that wind is actually associated and the strongest of winds. So definitely want to watch out if you're in that cone right there that I've just created. So Whitesburg, Pound, Jenkins, Eola, something to watch out for some strong winds as you guys are under a special weather statement besides Pound. And then we have a storm, the same line down here that is going to come, that's coming through the Middlesbrough area right now. And we're going to watch out for these places. And you just follow my cone. Rose Hill, you're going to get hit by this, as well as Path Fork, Harlan, Evarts, Cowwood, Smith, Jonesville, Pending Gap, Pendington Gap, something to watch out for those areas. Most of you are under a special weather statement in Bell and Harlan counties in Kentucky. And then let's check up on the storms that should be firing up right now in the Mississippi area. They should be firing up about right in these vicinity. Not vicinity, and they are. They're going to continue to move to the north, and then we're going to get some tornado activity like later in the day in those places. This is our line of storms that will be forming. Let us check. Where is the radar base? We don't have one right here. Well, they need to have a national weather service of Greenville right there, because we need a national weather service there to see better. So let's just wait for that to come in. So yeah, this could definitely be our line of storms right here, something to watch out for. And that's the most update that we have right now. Your comments, good. Let's check up on this storm. Still have a little bit of rotation on this one. Actually crossing right into Bethel. Crossing right into Beth Eden. Beth Eden. Okay, nice wording on that storm. We could have rotation. Correlation coefficient is not really showing that. CC not really showing that either. And then let's check up on the storm in Florence. And check up as well on some things in Twitter. Let's see. Well, I know we're off track here, where the storms are pretty much right in that vicinity right there. But there is actually some snow that we could see in the middle part of the country, as well as, of course, the mountains. Something to watch out there. And this is January 1st, people, and yeah, we are already talking about snow in pretty much the northern and central parts of the country. Yeah, something to talk about there. We'll have more discussions probably on our separate YouTube channel. And I think that's what they're. Ooh, look at that. Yes, we'll look at that later when on my own time. Put a cloud. Natural Weather Service, Huntsville. Where? Oh, wait, how long ago was that? Was that 2 hours ago? Really, Jeff? All right. Cherokee. There we go, guys. We have Cherokee. You can kind of see a shell cloud, even a little bit of a wall cloud, or I think that, yeah, the wall cloud. So we have a wall cloud in Cherokee. We had it, if it's like an hour ago. It's past Cherokee right now, but wow, the storm, that must mean it's moving slow. We have, actually, you can see the wind right there. Really strong winds, wind-driven wind and rain right now coming out of this storm. Wind-driven wind. What does that even? That doesn't make sense. Wind-driven rain is happening probably right now in Florence and Tabasco. And something to watch out for, because pretty much, as you can see, this is starting to just a little bit bow, and we could have a potential new warning here for the area of the storm. This definitely watch out if you're in Rogersville, Anderson. If you're in Athens right now, I don't. Would they call it? Okay, you know, I know my history, but I don't know if they would call it Athens here. But I was gonna say Athens. Definitely, maybe I'm gonna watch out for maybe the southern portion of it, because it is moving in this direction, so it could maybe hit you. It's actually not moving in that direction. So Athens, you have nothing to worry about. Let's check up on this one. Woo. Okay, so this one decides to strengthen as soon as it passes Lynchburg in Moore County. Woo! Yeah, we have something to watch out for. And also in Florence, something to watch out for. Whoa! That came out of nowhere. Oh, and there they go. They go ahead. Okay, so there is a severe thunderstorm warning on that one. Yep, and I know why, because it's tornado possible, isn't it? No. Oh, so we just have wind on this one. Very, very good. Okay, so we have still a threat of tornado present. You just look at that. Wow, strong storm, a potential tornado unfolding right there. We could have actually a wall cloud and maybe even a little bit of a funnel cloud. Maybe if you really look and squint your eyes in normality, something to watch out for. And then we have this one still. Woo. Yeah, definitely some severe stuff unfolding in these areas. Just good. Oh, wow. Yeah, we have that, and then we have this. So I think the rotation's right here, right? Let me check. Yeah. Yep, we have rotation, and we have Enrot proving that this is a potential storm that is unfolding with some potentiality of a tornado. So something to watch out. We have a severe thunderstorm warning. In fact, for southwestern Warren County, Coffee County, and Middle Tennessee, southeastern Bedford County, and northwestern Grady County. Okay, and let's see, we got a new update. Yeah, we still have this intact, put a T on that. And this one is still remaining the same, so we'll put RS on this one. So definitely storms are firing here. And we actually have a TVS on this one, so something to watch out for. We have we have an in-rot of 1 right now, so stay safe, everyone, if you are in these areas. So definitely want to watch out. Elkton. So this is out of Elkton. That's where that person asked where was this storm and where was that last tornado? Where did it touch down? It touched down in Elkton, and there's actually a video right there of a very strong storm. Let's see, what else do we have? Taylor County. This was an hour ago, so we don't even have to worry about this. Four minutes ago. That's okay. Oh, okay. So something to watch out for these cells in Mississippi. National Weather Service of Birmingham is saying radar update. Storms continue to develop across northwestern Alabama into eastern Mississippi, but they remain elevated at the time. When they become surface-based, that's when the tornado threat will ramp up. So if it ramps up enough and it does become surface-based, we will have that threat of tornado development in the eastern part of Mississippi, not Minnesota, Mississippi, pretty slim part, and then pretty much the western and pretty much half of Alabama, if they continue to trend that way. I'll be right back. Just give me 1 second. Back. So something to definitely watch out. Let's see what else we have. Oh, we have another special weather statement up here. Wow, we have 4. No, we have 6 Nope, 5. We have 5 now. So, like I said, if you're in pound, you're now under that special weather statement I told you you would be under. Still have some wind coming out of this one in the south. We may have a warning potentially getting issued on that one. Whoa! Definitely getting a bow on. Oh my god. Definitely getting a bow on this right here. So you're probably getting some strong winds right now. You're about to get some strong winds right now in Cowwood, Smith, Rose Hill, maybe Harlan. Okay, this is all in Harlan County and a little bit of Bell County. And then here's the storm that's about to hit the road right here for Wise, North Wise County, Pound. Okay, and then we have this special weather statement. I'm not sure if it's for this storm or if it's for they just issued it for, so it's on this storm. We have a special weather statement on this storm over here. Oh, they got rid of it? No, we need that. That's some strong wind right there. Okay, we have this for Hurley, Litchfield, Gilbert, LaGreer? Maybe. Davie, Pineville, and Oceana. Definitely want to watch out for winds in excess of 40 miles per hour. Winds on this one of 50. Gusts up to 50. Oh my god, let's just see on this storm when it was old. 40. So maybe just look at. There's strong wind on this one. I don't know what they're saying that we're not. I mean, you can just tell where the strong winds are. They're like literally right out here. Maybe it's just a shelf cloud that's producing some of those winds. So maybe it's not special weather statementable anymore. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens on that one. But that one is definitely, it was bowing earlier. It looks like now it's becoming to like just lose its intensity on that one. Let's see. Let's check up on this one. I remember this one was kind of getting a little bit tornadic. So we kind of really, really, really want to watch out if you're Tullahoma, you definitely want to watch out if you're there. Enrot is still picking up the potentiality of a tornado. CC, whoa, what is that? We might have a tornado on the ground. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, all right, we're gonna keep our eye on that little circle right there. How long was that for? Ooh, that was, whoa. Let me just make sure it was rain, hopefully. Maybe it was just air. Yeah, it might have just been air. Because I was about to say that's definitely tornado warned if that was that, like that. So yeah, we had a tornado scare right there. So yeah, we saw a warning on this one. No tornado possible. But definitely want to watch out for these little spots, like Tahoma. Definitely watch out for that little appendage right there. Maybe this area, because we just had that tornado scare. We don't know if it's actually real, probably not. Yeah, we could have something forming just east of Tahoma. So definitely something to watch out for. Nothing on that one. Check up on this one real quick, and then we'll check up on this one. We have 2 new special weather statements we'll check on in 1 minute. Let's check on this one. Still sticking with that rotation. Get rid of it. Yeah. Still sticking with that. Maybe even a little bit of intensity on that one. Could be getting an increase on that rotation. Potential. And then we'll check up on the Cumberland County one, and then we'll also check up on the Lincoln one. No tornado. Maybe another tornado. I'm just kidding. No, don't think that. So wait, maybe. Okay, no, good. No tornado scare. Had a little bit of another tornado scare right there. So, this one is especially a statement for winds. Sometimes they just don't tell you how much these winds are. Florence, Alabama. Oh my lord. This is out in Florence, Alabama. And I just got froze. There we go. Whoa! Definitely some strong gusts out of Florence. Ooh. Wow. You gotta put that window up. Sorry. Alright. Alright. Clay County. Just gonna be, see, I knew there was something strange about that. There was a little bit of rotation on that one. You gotta be lying. You gotta be joking. Oh, thank you. Unless it decides to create a donut and we have that low-topped updraft supercell, pretty strong supercell that happens, which we don't want to happen, which will then cause potential of a tornado warning and a tornado. Oh yeah, they reissued it. Low winds though. Check up on this one, see what, can't really tell out of our range. What storm okay, so the only thing that I really am thinking about this one is that it could turn into a boat line. And if that does happen, it will probably move north, but I'm just going to move to the east for now. Definitely potentially coming towards the Huntsville area if it happens. Not saying it will, but if it happens, we have rotation on that one. So we have rotation on two storms, and it's turning into a donut, which we don't want to happen. Turning into a donut right there. If that starts to fill in, even if that starts to fill in, not good at all. And the in-rise spiking with that. An in-ride of 1 on that one. And, ooh. I would not be surprised if a tornado warning got issued if it did turn into a donut and the CC is confirmed. If it's confirmed. Okay, you know what? I'm sorry, people. I keep scrolling, I keep pressing the home button, and I keep seeing my area for these tornadoes. I mean, not for tornadoes, for the snow. And I have to look at it. I'm sorry, I know it's off topic, but I really have to look at it. Otherwise, I'm gonna have a tantrum. You know that feeling when you see something that for your area, and you see it, I'm pretty sure you probably do the same thing. So we're just gonna look at the euro real quick. Okay, good. They're still not showing anything on the euro, but I'm kind of happy with the GFS. That's more time than they gave us last time. Let's see, 4 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Dang. Woo! Please happen. Please happen. Please happen. Please, 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 please happen. And if that, we're not gonna get any rain, so the next snowstorm can come in, which is most likely to happen, and we can get even more higher snow amount. Okay, this just got me pumped up all the way. All the way. Yes, they're showing it. Let's go. Oh, yes. Okay. We just got, oh my god. We need to freak.
Who is that?
Oh no, they show rain before it. Watch this time lapse. Okay. So we're still gonna watch this storm system right here. We have a donut potentially on this one. Oh yeah, look at that. Definitely something to watch out there for. CC still not picking up anything. That's good. We almost had a tornado scare. I'm just gonna keep saying that because we did. And now up to basically almost a 2. So something to watch out for if you are in. We're actually. I think when HQ comes back, we're gonna stay on top of. Wow, we have.
Hi.
Okay, you're back.
Yeah, I just got back like 2 seconds ago.
We have something to watch out here for in Coffee County, in Hillsborough, Manchester. Oh yeah. So we have the potential for 2 tornadoes. We actually had a tornado scare because we had a huge debris ball. Not really huge, but like a small debris ball. And when things got quiet, I showed the stream potential storms of winter storms that could hit. And then things just started to increase again with this one right here in Manchester and Hillsborough. And yeah, not looking good. I mean, Enrot showing 2 areas on the same cell, and we have a donut. We did have a donut on one, and yeah.
Yeah, so still not much going on though. Like not anything too crazy yet though, right?
Yeah, nothing too crazy, no warning. We did watch you can actually look for yourself on Twitter. I retweeted something on the storm that tore over Florence.
Wow.
And actually, it got really gusty at the end of the video, and it was crazy. Like, the winds, the volume, like, the winds were just, I had to turn it down because it's like, like, it was so loud. It was crazy.
Those are pretty strong winds there. It is a good thing we got the word out, but really, everyone who's currently watching, I know there isn't many people watching right now, but please share the video, like the video, and share the video, and maybe even subscribe to the channel. I'm not. You don't have to subscribe to the channel, but what I really do want you to do is like and share, because every time you like and share, this video gets out to more people. The more likes we get, the more YouTube will recommend the video. And if you share this video with anyone in the areas that could be impacted, we can get the word out about this storm. And what are you laughing about?
I wanted to show you something, but It might be a little bit off topic.
Is it snow?
Yes, and it's really important.
Show it quick.
Okay. So, USwx came out with a new run, and I just want to show you real quick. So,
is that for tomorrow?
Yeah, this is for Monday.
Wow. I mean, Monday, that's what I meant.
And then look at the totals, right?
Dang. That's enough to close school for a day.
But watch. We don't get any rain until the next storm. And it doesn't even rain. And you know what that happens if it doesn't look like it's gonna warm up, so it could stay cold and we couldn't have any snow melt. And then the next storm comes in and watch. I really want this to happen.
Yeah. Alright, well, let's get back on topic, everyone. But yeah, again, make sure you share this video with anyone who is in the areas that are being impacted. And also, please, also like the video, because YouTube will recommend this video to more people.
Whoa. We have a tornado on the ground. Yep. The tornado scare, no, it's not a tornado scare. It's actually on the ground.
Where?
CC is confirming that. Next, just west of Hillsboro, you can see, if you look at velocity, and then you look at correlation coefficient, literally right there. Literally. This is on that morning near Manchester, and if you zoom in and you go towards Hillsboro, there is a tornado on the ground.
Mm-hmm. And if anyone is in the impacted areas right now, and do see any flash flooding or any storm videos, please add me on Twitter with @thehurricanehq, and I could show those on stream if you'd like.
Tornado. Maybe. I'm not sure. Actually, nope, guys. Another one. Another tornado scare. Why do these keep happening? That's like so weird. It's just like a tornado scare. Like literally, it's like a tornado scare. Like it just a random correlation coefficient just shows up and it's not even real. Like it's so
or it might be real and just doesn't. It just drifts.
No, but like it's like the correlation coefficient is outside of the radar. Like outside of the rain, or outside of the higher reflectivity, outside of basically everything. It's like right in the middle. It's weird, but it's true.
Yeah, and we actually have a new report. This is out of Murfreesboro, and overall in this area, there is a report of some creeks overflowing. So if you're in this area, please watch out, as there is cropland, yard, and basement flooding, and possibly some reeks and creeks overflowing in that area. So definitely watch out for flash flooding.
Coming out of Tumbuska, and then we also have 2 tornado warnings.
I just can't. Were those just issued?
Yes, like literally.
Yeah, so we have new tornado warnings that were just issued. This is for Columbus, Artesia, Mayhew, Steens, and Crawford.
Hey, that's the one we were tracking, I think.
Oh, yeah, earlier.
Where is it? Yeah, we were tracking it when I said it had the tornado potential.
Why is there 2 tornado warnings?
Yeah, I don't know. There is a thunderstorm wind damage report out of Tumbuska. Emergency management confirmed trees down and some debris in a roadway on Wilson Road at Showell Villa Trailer Park. So there's some damage at a trailer park.
Okay, and right now I am looking at this. There is actually some decent rotation on this one with the tornado warning. We should actually be watching this one even closer than we originally were.
These tornadoes again. Oh my gosh.
But yeah, but going back to this, there's some decent rotation here, and possibly,
I don't see it.
huh?
Oh. Okay, never mind, I got it.
Yeah, right here, and possibly the NROT is also showing some stuff here. So it's possible that a tornado might be on the ground right now, or maybe not on the ground, but there might be a thundercloud right now in the Artista area. So if you're in this area, please get to your safe place if you're in this tornado warning.
We read something earlier. The National Weather Service of Birmingham said that there's some cells in eastern Mississippi and western Alabama that are forming. And if they go surface base, they will turn tornadic and will start a tornado threat.
Okay. And we also have some flash flooding, a lot of flash flooding actually.
What are those blue things?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Flood reports.
No. Like around it. See that blue line, like right around it?
That? Flood advisory.
Oh. Why do they look like that?
Yeah, those are, this color is flood advisories, and then, this dark green color, which is almost impossible to see, even where is it? Right here, that is a flood warning.
Oh, so Athens, like I was talking about earlier, Athens in Alabama, you are now, looks like you are going to get hit eventually. So looks like it did turn its course, and like I said, that southernmost portion cell, looks like that 11 intense will hit you now. So you will expect those 60-mile-per-hour winds possible by the time it does hit you. And then we also have... we might have another tornado warning soon.
Which storm?
South of Mulberry. That is the severe thunderstorm warning next to the warning that had a tornado scare. Mulberry.
I see. Right here.
You might want to switch that radar. You would not see. So if you actually look at it, there's a notch on it. And if you go to base velocity, you'll see, like, the area. And then if you go to CC, there's, like, a little tiny area.
Yeah. And there's actually some hail, too, being picked up in this storm. If I actually switch to the precipitation depiction one here, you could see there is definitely some hail popping up here. So some isolated areas, maybe even over here somewhere. There is definitely some hail, so I'd watch out if you're in the Mulberry area or slightly south of Mulberry and Lafayette area. There was some hail, and the hail threat is actually increasing and becoming more widespread within this thunderstorm here. So definitely watch out if you're in these areas. Honestly, I think you really need to watch out.
Something is wrong with CC on this radar. Because honestly, there's like, what is that?
CC?
Why is it showing like a whole block of blue right outside of it?
I don't know.
It's not, I don't know what that is. It's not a shelf cloud, because I don't think a shelf cloud can be picked up on CC. Unless there's like leaves or trees, but there's no way trees flying in the air. Yeah, I don't know about that one.
So yeah, lots of alerts are being issued across the entire area here. Tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, flood alerts, a lot of flash flooding potential today. And speaking of flash flooding, this is our current WPC or Weather Prediction Center outlook here for flash flooding. And you can see a moderate risk is in effect for a large portion of the area here, along with a slight and marginal. So please watch out for some flash flooding in some of these areas. I'd say anywhere really, even the marginal risk could be seeing some pretty decent flash flooding potential today.
I see the line of storms is forming actually in western Mississippi. If you actually look at the radar where the tornado warning is, you can actually see the line like forming.
Yeah, let's actually take a look at that real quick. I can see the lightning kind of following it, so I can kind of... Also, we're getting reports of freezing drizzle behind this line.
Yep, if you actually go north of there, you can actually see it. Like, there's actually snow there.
So here is that. Oh, we'll switch the radar tower again. We have a report of some flash flooding. This was out of Olive Branch.
I'm not getting that. That's so weird.
Yeah, this report is MPing.
I'm not even seeing it on MPing.
That's weird. Well, yeah, there's a report here of some flash flooding, street/road flooding here. So please watch out if you're in this area. A flood advisory is in effect because of that alert. So, yeah, watch out if you're in those areas. And you can see the line is forming right here, like Manny was just saying earlier. So yeah, this is gonna actually bring some severe weather potential into this slight risk area here, and then actually also into this.
You should look at the KGWX or the which radar is this? Or the KNQA.
For what storm exactly? What's storm?
I said the line on the one with tornado warning. You can see the line of storms off of it.
Oh, this line right here.
No, to the east.
This?
I'm sorry, the west.
Oh, this right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I assume that's the main line.
Yeah, that probably is. I think this is more tornadic line right here, or like cells.
Yeah, I think later is the real tornado threat. So we will probably be on here for a while, doing coverage of it.
Tornado possible now on this warning in Hillsborough, or just south of Viola. We have a tornado possible with, actually, that's pretty nice rotation on that one. Really big in-rot on that one as well. We have an in-rot on about 1, basically a 2. We're on the verge of a 2.
Yeah, I'm not seeing that alert. Which one is this?
In south of Viola in Tennessee, we have a warning I just issued, and it's tornado possible with very strong velocity, and also has a nice in-rot. Off of the KHTX, I think. Yeah, KHTX in Huntsville, National Weather Service.
Yeah, I could see. Yeah, there's that severe thunderstorm warning right here. And even a special weather statement was actually just issued just to the east of that, like northeast.
I think you're on the wrong one.
Huh?
You're on the wrong one.
Doesn't matter. Alright, a new tornado warning was just issued for Moore County, Easthill Springs, Winchester. A new tornado warning is in effect. This is just to the east of Mulberry here. This is a radar indicated tornado with hail of 0.75 inch possible.
Look at the CC on that one. I don't know if it's
okay, that's concerning.
Something to watch out for. I don't know.
Yes, there is a CC drop, which could indicate some debris being lifted up from this tornado right here. Definitely watch out on this one right here. definitely watch out. That right there is a possible debris ball right there. Now, it is getting a little bit weird. It is getting a little messed up because of the radar. Although, other than that, there's some decent rotation, likely. And I'll actually switch onto my radar scope here and try and get a better visual of the storm. Yeah, that is some decent rotation right there. That is some decent rotation, if I may say. So, yeah, decent rotation. This is just the south of Lynchburg and to the west of Winchester here. And this storm is heading directly for Estill Springs. So if you're in Estill Springs, definitely get to your safe place, as this tornado is possibly approaching your area and could arrive at your area as soon as within the next 10 minutes. Likely in 5 minutes, it will impact Estill Springs. So get to your safe place immediately. If you're in Estill Springs, the storm is heading straight towards you. If you're in this tornado warning, also, I'd recommend you get to your safe place.
Bruh. This isn't even working.
What?
Alright.
And by the looks of it, Winchester is a decently populated town here. So please get to your safe place if you're in Winchester, Estill Springs, any of these areas. Please take shelter in that interior room on the lowest floor of your home. Now, this is not a confirmed tornado on the ground, although I definitely recommend you get to that safe place regardless of that because of the potential of one touching down.
That's scary. Like, you can see it on the cross. I mean, it's right there. I mean, just look at that. Right there. Just right there. Literally. You can see where that tornado is.
Yeah. Or at least a thundercloud.
Yeah, I was about to say
there is at least a thundercloud or a tornado on the ground right now. I'm guessing more of a tornado, but still, take cover immediately if you're in this area. Or in this tornado warning at all. Honestly, you should take cover.
You can definitely see the hook on it. Why is yours working? Like, what the frick?
Yes, it's working.
It's not doing my box for me.
Oh, I don't know. And now I'm gonna quickly take a look at this storm near Columbus here. The rotation, well, at least the winds associated with this rotation have greatly increased.
Never mind.
We're now getting wind gusts in excess of 60 to 70 mile per hour here. Looks like 75 plus in some of these areas here. So if you're in this area, very strong winds and possibly some rotation here. There is something going on, some inflow for sure. And that rotation just got a bit worse here. On radar presentation here, 119 mile per hour winds are being indicated by radar right now. On this possible tornado, let's take a look at the correlation coefficient, which could be showing something, although it's likely not on the ground, although still something to watch. And I think if you're in this area, please take cover immediately. If you're in Columbus, Columbus Air Force Base.
Mississippi?
Yes.
Where is this? Where is that?
The tornado warning.
Where?
The tornado warning.
It is?
It's in the tornado warning.
Where? Because
right there.
Oh my gosh. Look what I just retweeted. Because I tweeted it. I don't know where it is because I can't find it on here. But that's out of Columbus.
Alright, there is a confirmed funnel cloud with this tornado right now. There is a confirmed funnel cloud with this tornado. The tornado warning in Mississippi.
Do you see it?
Yes, it's right there. The tornado is heading straight towards it.
Not for my screen is not showing Columbus.
It's in Mississippi.
Oh, that one?
Yes, I already told you that. But yeah, there is possibly actually a tornado on the ground, or at least a thundercloud. A thundercloud was confirmed by this storm here in Mississippi.
I see. Okay.
And it looks like there could be some possible debris with this. I don't know. It is a little bit messed up. I wouldn't say there's any debris. I take that back. There's likely no debris being picked up right now. Although still a thundercloud is likely with this storm. And I really think you should get to your safe place. There is chasers on the storm, so it will likely be confirmed. If a thundercloud does fall, or what? If a tornado does touch down in this area, it will likely be confirmed. So we're just waiting on confirmation if this is on the ground. If not, then that's why we're not receiving confirmation. Although there is a confirmed thundercloud right now, and that is enough to get to your safe place. Again, if you're in Columbus or Steens, get to your safe place. Artista, you're actually doing all right now. You're actually out of the risk at the moment. The real areas at risk are Columbus, Steens, Keola Springs, and Caledonia. If you're in those areas, please get to your safe place quickly, as there is a possible tornado about to touch down in this area here. So I'm not saying it's guaranteed to touch down, although there is a good chance it will. So please, again, take cover.
You know we're in a TSTM, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Making sure.
And we're still waiting on the next radar update, so the winds have died down a little bit, but still, looks like in excess of 80. Yeah, 83 mile per hour still, so...
What are you on?
We're focusing on the Columbus, Mississippi one now.
Okay. They have another photo of it. I'll retweet it.
Alright.
Maybe dying? Not sure. Maybe rain wrap, not sure. But there's still
Yeah, there is still a thundercloud with that storm. Interesting. Again, I'll send this tweet to William there, so he could feature it on his stream. Alright, but yeah, very concerning situation currently is still unfolding there. Despite the slight weakening of this storm, there is still potential that this could re-intensify. Or really reform is a better term for it. So still, if you're in that warning, watch out, because there is reports of thunderclouds coming in, and thunderclouds are not something you want to see because they can easily touch down. And yeah, still waiting on that next radar update. Still not coming in yet. We're still using the one from 6:48. New one should be coming in any second though.
So the National Weather Service of Huntsville just said that the UAH sounding from 4:30 p.m. still indicates warm air aloft at 600 millibars. But HAP is gone now. Winds are mostly southerly, increasing the low-level wind shear. Overall, a favorable environment for rotation.
And we're still waiting on that next radar update. Still not coming in. It's been about 5 minutes since the radar last updated.
Remember that tornado? The Elkton one?
Mayfield?
The one that was tornado warned in Elkton?
Today?
Yeah, today.
Yeah, what about it?
Well, there was a massive shelf cloud on it.
Alright, well, let's stick to what's happening now.
No, I'm just saying.
Wow, yeah, that is a pretty big shelf card right there.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Big CC on that one. New mesoscale discussion.
For where?
Here, for Tennessee, Northwest Georgia, extreme western North Carolina, and Alabama. It says severe isolated tornado risk to continue this evening with weather watch, number 4, tornado watch number 4 of this year, to be replaced within the hour. Replaced with what?
Just say watch, not weather watch.
Well, what does WW mean?
It just means watch.
Weather watch.
Just watch.
When it means red, that means it's tornado. When it's blue, that means it's
Yeah, we know.
severe. So weather watch.
Yeah, we know. No, but still, just call it watch.
Weather.
We know it's a weather watch.
Well, yeah, but that's what they stand for. Everyone, do not look back at 2021. Thank you.
What with all those sus comments that we're getting?
Yeah. Wait, what did you delete?
All the sus comments.
I got some of those in my last stream too. I had to delete them.
Yep, so the rotation is still remaining pretty steady here. In near Columbus here. Not much is changing with it. Again, no debris signature or anything like that, so I mean, I'd still stay in that safe place, although I wouldn't be as worried for your safety at this time.
Oh my gosh.
What?
2 tornado warnings are possible. Like right in Tennessee, like literally. There is no way that that's just gonna go off like that. There has to be at least one. There's 2 TBSs that are in the right spot with nice rotation and an in-rock. This is right out of Spencer in these 2 warnings.
Oh, I see that rotation that you're talking about. Yeah, the warning is this warning is actually highlighting the possibility of a tornado.
Do you know why they issued 2 tornado warnings on that one? You know why they issued 2 tornado warnings on that one tornado?
Why they? Oh, I don't know.
Why is there 2?
I don't know. Might just be a glitch on someone's end.
It's updating.
I don't know.
Oh, you guys are lying. Oh my god.
What are you talking about?
I'm gonna cry.
Manny, keep it together.
They're such liars. I'm sorry.
Keep it together, Manny.
Is it raining?
Here?
Yeah.
Probably.
I hear something.
Hmm. They're very
No.
honestly, I don't think this will actually form into anything.
What?
These two possible areas of rotation.
Maybe that southern one. I mean, the Enrock says otherwise. Let's just say that.
Alright, maybe, but the entire line right there is like the Enrot.
I think that might be just wind for that line on the Enrock.
I think so. The winds are probably just so intense at this line right here.
Yeah.
Because they are pretty intense.
Oh, look at that bow.
Oh, yeah, I think that's just wind. There's very strong winds at this thunderstorm here. Wind gusts up to 70, the mid-70s associated with this thunderstorm here. So, you are in Athens, Egmont, Ardmore, or Harvest. Watch out.
New pick. New pick. New pick. New pick. New pick. New pick. On that one Columbus.
Interesting. Something is happening there.
Yes, that is for sure.
So we will have to keep an eye on the Columbus one there. I think I might refocus on the Columbus one. Oh, that wind threat near Athens there, I'd watch out for that because there are some very intense winds with that thunderstorm there.
Such a close call, but a miss Monday.
Yeah, the storms near Columbus right now, they are still holding steady. No CC drop.
What?
No CC drop.
Oh.
The rotation is looking a bit better. Yeah, the rotation's looking a little better right now. Yeah, there's definitely decent rotation right there. Yeah, I'd watch out. Again, if you're in Columbus, there's something happening like right on top of you. There's storm formation right on top of you if you're in Columbus, possibly. So I would stay in your safe place. Stay in your safe place if you're in Columbus. And I'll let you know when it is safe to leave your safe place. I mean, you can probably leave it in a few minutes. I'd say 10 minutes probably.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's funny.
What do you think? Can people in Columbus leave their safe place? I'd say they should stay in it.
Stay. Right now. Don't leave until it passes over.
Yeah, I agree. It could rapidly intensify.
Like that movie. I'm just kidding.
But it could rapidly intensify right over Columbus here. So, Columbus, stay in your safe place. And you could probably leave it in about 10 minutes. Just 10 more minutes, although I'm not as concerned for Columbus anymore. Although still that rotation is looking slightly better here, so we'll have to watch Twitter here.
News, let's go discussion.
Yeah, I just got it. The risk for a few tornadoes, damaging wind gusts, and isolated large hail may increase during the next few hours. This is for portions of Alabama, Mississippi, and Georgia. So right there, if you're in this red circled area here, the risk for tornadoes is increasing along with the damaging wind gusts and isolated large hail threat. So we will be live covering the storms as they enter this area. And I just want everyone in this medical discussion area to stay weather aware and stay on top of everything that's currently happening.
It's currently 15 degrees at WFO Flagstaff. Pretty cold.
Mm-hmm.
Weather Forecasting Office, Flagstaff.
The heck? Why is there these old tweets here? On that Techstorm account?
What's Techstorm?
The account that was posting those pictures.
You gotta go to tweets and replies to see the picture.
Quick update on that storm there. So this is what it's looking like right now.
Oh my lord!
What?
See the storm in Hamilton?
Hmm?
The storm in Hamilton, in Alabama. It's special weather Steventon. The reflectivity is crazy.
Whoa! That is... Alright, good. There's no rotation on it, though.
Yeah, no rotation.
But, wow. Strong storm there. Definitely a supercell. And I'm looking at this down near Columbus right now. The winds with that are intensifying, and they're near 100 mile per hour on radar. So still rotation with that. And it's still over, it's like directly over Columbus at this moment.
Oh my god, you see the storm in Athens?
Yeah, the very strong wind threat.
Yeah, that's a nice storm. I would want to go through that. That's a nice storm though. Like look at that line, like a nice line. Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Surprised it doesn't have 70 mile per hour winds though.
They might upgrade that. They might upgrade that.
They should.
Look in chat.
Oh, what? What?
Look in the chat.
Chat.
Oh, and a new special weather statement was just issued for actually this is in a very unpopulated. It's just to the north of Millport and Kennedy. Special weather statement for 50 mile per hour wind gusts and no hail. Although I would say there's still a threat for very small pea-sized hail.
That kind of looks like it's turning into a supercell, maybe. I mean, just look at it.
New severe thunderstorm warning was just issued in Tennessee.
What?
A new severe thunderstorm warning was just issued in Tennessee.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Which storm are you saying is becoming a supercell? Manny? Are you there?
Yeah, I just muted for it. I don't know why I did.
Which storm did you say is becoming a supercell?
The Columbus one.
Well, I mean, it does have a hook. It is a little weird looking, though, so... I mean, if it does get its act together, yeah, it could be. Also, if those in Columbus are wondering, yes, you can now leave your safe place if you're in Columbus. Obviously, I'm not gonna force you to leave it. You could stay there for a few more minutes if you really want to come out when the storm is totally over. Although the area with the rotation has moved away a bit, so it is likely safe. It's likely safe to come up from or out of your safe place. So Columbus, you're mostly out of the threat right now. Just some heavy rainfall and some wind right now. So honestly, if I were there, I'd wait a few minutes to leave. Although that's up to you. It is safe to come up, I believe, or out, whatever. What I keep saying up. And it looks like one tornado watch was just expired.
Which one?
For portions of Tennessee is no longer in the tornado watch.
I knew that one was going to get canceled.
Yeah, that was canceled, alright. Yeah, you can see that right here. This watch was officially canceled. So if you're in this watch area right here, it is now safe to exit your safe place or whatever. But I'd still be weather aware. You never know, something could pop up. So I'd still be weather aware. Although you can probably let your guard down slightly if you're outside that watch. It's really, when you're in the watch, you have to really be on guard. Now, I am going to be continuing the coverage despite what happens.
Oh my god.
What?
Go to the KHTX radar, unless you're already on it. Let me look.
Oh, those very, very strong winds, I see.
Not bad, but yes, bad. On radar scope, not radar scope, GR2 analyst, and look at the phi.
The what?
Phi.
What is?
PHI.
Huh?
The phi, the PHI, Pacific Hemisphere.
Huh?
PHI, phi.
Oh. Okay.
Look at all that heavy rainfall.
It's even heavy rain. Oh, I'm on the wrong. Wait, what tower? KHTX. It's sort of weird. Hydrometer classification doesn't work. Yeah, there's some heavy rainfall, I know. Not in the same place, though.
And then if you also press the, that would probably work too, so you should look at that.
Wait, what? ZDR?
The what?
Wait, which one?
The,
Huh?
so I think that would actually work better.
Which one?
Huh?
I clicked on like 5. Which one did I do?
And it's in the PDR.
Oh. Oh, the rainfall?
KDR. KDP.
It's not a product.
KDP?
It's not a product.
KDP.
It's
Just next.
Oh. Actually, yeah, look at this line right here. This line of severe thunderstorms right now, this is impacting Fayetteville, Huntland, Moore County. You're under
That's
8.
definitely rotating.
Huh?
That is definitely rotating.
Okay, but yeah, right now they're dealing with a very large wind threat of 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Hail up to about 0.75 inch, so that I wouldn't be surprised if we saw some 1-inch size hail. And the potential for a isolated spin up, like there is some slight rotation in some of these areas here. What? 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 Lower the volume. Stop talking like that.
That's 100.
Lower the volume.
To what?
I don't know. Lower.
Okay, 50. If you're in hazel green, you want to watch out.
Yeah. There's a very slight amount of rotation there. Although I'm more worried about the wind threat.
Yeah, because they're about to get the bowing, maybe.
Yeah, there's some winds. I mean, not that much. Yeah, decent. Hazel green, that's where you really have to watch out, though. That is 77 mile per hour possible, maybe even into 80, 83. So if you're in hazel green, I definitely want to watch out. Stay weather aware if you're there.
No, whoa. Oh yeah, look at that. It's kind of bowing. Wait. That might actually be bowing a little bit. And if it does bow, you want to watch out if you are in the Planiva, Elora area, because it will bow right now. Actually, if that bows, it kind of will be like the storm we had, where it bowed, and then it had a tornado warning on it.
Mm-hmm.
Later, minutes later. Actually, give me 1 second. Excuse me for 1 second.
Mm-hmm. So very strong thunderstorms are moving through a lot of the area here. Now, as you can see, a lot of lightning actually is impacting the areas here. And I don't know what I'm talking about, but a lot of lightning is impacting everyone. What the heck? Especially Taft area, there was a lot of lightning strikes reported. And likely, Hazel Green will be seeing some of those lightning reports here. Like, they are seeing some. There is definitely a lot of lightning, which could hint that there could be a decent amount of convection here within these thunderstorms here. And if we actually jump over to satellite, watch you pull up a live satellite image here from where the storms are. There is some, there is some convection. Definitely some convection in these thunderstorms, which is good for the thunderstorms and the development and everything like that. So yeah, definitely some convection within these thunderstorms. And if I actually pull up our power outages map here, if we actually take a look at Tennessee, Tennessee is dealing with a lot of power outages due to these thunderstorms, especially Macon County. Macon County, Gewies County, Cheatham County, and Moore County. You are actually dealing with a lot of power outages. Also, Mississippi as well is dealing with a lot of power outages, especially southwest Mississippi. You have a lot of power outages, so definitely watch out for some of those power outages. And somehow California has a ton of power outages right now. I'm not sure if that's weather related or not, but I know Tennessee definitely is. And again, if you do have any pictures or videos or anything like that, you do want to send me of these storms, definitely feel free to @ me. It's @ the Hurricane HQ on Twitter. Same on Instagram. So you can always send me any videos if you like them on the screen or anything like that, or just want me to see them. We have very strong thunderstorms here with wind. Actually, a wind report that's old. Hate these old reports. Yeah, we actually have a lot of gusty wind conditions right now. Near Louisville. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but a lot of very gusty wind conditions here. Near Lake Tennessee and Pleasant Hill, you're dealing with wind gusts potentially reaching up to 90. So very intense wind gusts right now, and some rotation on top of that. So if you're in a severe thunderstorm warning, please, I'd also get to your safe place. If you're in a severe thunderstorm warning or anything like that, definitely, I'd say get to your safe place, or at least stay indoors. Severe thunderstorm warnings, you should definitely get indoors. You don't want to be outside during a severe thunderstorm unless you're me. But yeah, definitely do not be outside in severe thunderstorms. They are very dangerous. So definitely stay indoors, especially with this event. There is very strong winds, 60 miles per hour with some of these thunderstorms now. And that can definitely cause a lot of problems. And now that I look at it, there is a lot of there's some rotation here. Still in the state of Mississippi, there is still some decent rotation on that storm. It is actually entering Alabama. It will be entering Alabama, and it already is actually. It just passed the border technically, so this is in Alabama now. And this tornado warning will likely be expired in just a few moments, as this storm has moved out of the warned area. There is a special weather statement high on this storm for 50 mile per hour wind gusts, and this tornado warning will likely be expired shortly.
What happened?
No, nothing. There's just the storm in Mississippi is moving to Alabama, and they're going to expire the tornado warning momentarily.
Did you kill it for me? Hopefully.
And it looks like Liam's stream is actually having some technical difficulties. Everyone, please go check out Liam's website, everything like that. He definitely deserves more subscribers.
Then he's at like above 600 or 500?
No, he's 421 right now.
Oh, I thought it was at 500. Okay.
No.
Yes. People go help him because, we want to go help him to think what I thought,
Yeah, definitely go go give him some support. Liam's weather definitely deserves it. He works so hard on all of his graphics, like, daily. Sorry, what were you saying?
Did you know that there's a severe thunderstorm warning?
Yeah.
No. You didn't?
I do know.
There's been a severe thunderstorm. There's been a tornado warning for about 15 minutes now.
Columbus, I know. Oh. Never mind the same one.
No, there's no second one.
Yeah, it's just in Columbus.
I only see one.
There's two.
What's one?
Well, on the thing it says two. There's only one now. I guess we're just gonna wait for it to expire.
One. What's up with this hazel green one?
Hazel green?
Has it not tornadic?
No, that's not tornadic at the moment. No, there is some rotation still on it, but nah, no tornado on the ground. Actually, there is a small debris ball possibly. It's a CC drop, although I doubt it's actually debris. I think it just might be the radar.
The reason now we know why there was two warnings at the same time.
Wait, why?
Because two different offices issued it.
Why?
They have the same coverage area. I'm not sure. I don't know why actually, but that's what it said. They saw it, so they said, "Let's go." At the same time.
And Frederick Pope just posted something in the chat. So I'll just delete it.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Flash flood warning in effect for Honolulu, Pearl City, Waikika, Sunset Beach. That's it. For the whole entire island of Maui, okay?
Wait, what's going on there?
A flash flood warning in effect for the whole entire island of Maui.
Oh, okay. I guess the National Weather Service is going to allow this tornado warning to expire. It's only 3 minutes left on it, so I guess that's what they're trying to do.
Yeah. You know it's snowing in St. Louis?
Oh, it is?
Maybe, I'm not sure. That's what they just said that. So.
Hey, Liam.
It's snowing in Chicago.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, they're getting hit with their winter storm.
Oh, I think I actually saw that. So the rotation on this one, just to the north of Millport, it's looking, I don't know how to describe this.
Bad?
No, it's not bad. It's just mild.
Mild? What is that supposed to mean?
I don't know. It's not strong, but it's not weak.
So it's in the middle.
Liam just said hate it when my CPU. Oh, yeah, that sucks.
What happened?
Just look in chat. No, Liam's weather.
Oh no! Oh, that's the worst.
I know that's a typo. Liam. But I'm live with many, yes. Please confirm that that's a typo. And yeah, that tornado warning is about to expire, like, in less than a minute. And then we won't have any tornado warnings active, which is good. Ha! Yeah, Liam just confirmed it was a typo.
Oh, good. Okay. Let's go look at this. So, it almost seems like things are calming down at the moment.
At least on the tornado side of things.
Oh wow. You know it's a new year, right?
Yeah.
Last year. Oh, we have a tornado warning in effect now for Alabama and Tennessee. This is for Lincoln, Franklin, and Madison County in Alabama and Tennessee.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, tornado radar indicated hit max hail size 0.75 inch.
Debris ball, maybe?
Nah. No, I don't think there's a debris ball with that.
Well, it kind of matches the reflectivity, that's why.
I mean, it's possible. There could be something there, although it's not that well defined, and honestly, I wouldn't say there's too much happening there. That could just be wind.
Yeah, it could.
Yeah, there's a massive hook with this one. Near Elora and Plevna.
Yeah, that's about to hit Elora.
Yeah, I have a feeling they're gonna issue like another tornado warning like this.
Yeah. I mean, just look at that. In my radar couple, what am I saying? Radar color table is different than yours, and you know I like smooth. So, my radar color shows like all the hail and stuff. So if you just look at my screen, you can like see the hail along with the tornado. I mean, that's textbook type supercell right here.
Is all that really hail?
I don't know. I'm just heavy rain along with the hook, and that just hit Elora.
There is actually a lot of hail with that. Not as much as you were showing, but there is hail.
Did that just hit Elora?
Possibly. There's not much NROT, by the way.
Yeah.
Not much on NROT there.
Well, I mean, kind of looks like the radar. It's close to radar because.
Can you join the Google Meet? William wants to join.
Can he? Or did you?
He wants to join. Can he join?
Oh, yeah. Obviously.
Alright, I'll send you the link. Alright, I sent it in DMs. No. Hey, William.
Hey, Manny. That one tornado warning has a massive hook.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's heading right for Hotland.
Yeah. Although the population there doesn't look too big.
Doesn't matter. You're still looking at human lives in danger.
True.
Doesn't matter whether it's a 10,000 people community or if it's a 100, people community. There's still people that obviously live in this area that are going to be at risk.
Yeah.
You don't even need a tornado on the ground to get trees uprooted and stuff. So.
Yeah, there's a wind throw with it as well.
Oh yeah, definitely. The blues now I'm on radar scope right now, are registering. The highest I can find right now is negative 87 miles per hour.
Yeah. I found it's negative 88, but yeah, it's practically the same.
Alright, show off. I'm on Twitter right now going through stuff. I'll see if I can find anything for you to share.
Okay. But yeah, there definitely is a wind threat regardless if there is a tornado on the ground.
That's a
Yeah,
pretty large hook.
The latest warning that was issued was 5 minutes ago. Severe thunderstorm warning, including Crossville, Tennessee, Lake Tonsey, Tennessee, and Crab Orchard, Tennessee, until 7:15 p.m. Central. Wind gusts upwards of 60 miles an hour. Tornadoes possible, and just over 36,000 people are in that. 9 schools and 1 hospital or medical center.
Okay.
A new warning just got issued too. New severe thunderstorm warning for Dunlap, Tennessee, Pikeville, Tennessee, and it goes until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight.
Yeah, I'm not sure where that is.
Tennessee.
It's on Twitter. If you just reload your page, it was 16 seconds ago. Holy moly! Look at that hook. Holy crud!
I even have.
Okay, we're getting a new report of hail just right over Huntland. Just under an inch of hail on GR Analyst.
Yep.
Wow. Oh, I see this warning.
That's heading right for Huntland.
That hook is just now to the east of Aurora.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that hail.
Oh, also HQ wind gusts, winds on that blue area on the velocity now registering 103 miles per hour negative 103.
Wow. That is really strong. The good news, though, is that it doesn't look like there's much rotation anymore.
The red is not very strong and it's not very close, but regardless if this is a tornadic event, it's still a very strong wind event if the least.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Winds now in excess of 100 miles per hour on the southwestern side of it. It's going right over Huntsville. Well, it looks like the rotation is literally. I'm gonna pull it up here. The strongest blue is approximately 5 miles southwest of Huntsville at this moment in time.
Yeah, and right now I am looking at the satellite of the area, just like generally. There is some houses like right in front of it, where the storm is heading.
Where's Crossville? Because they just issued a brand new warning. They just extended that. No.
Oh, a tornado warning.
Yes, brand new tornado warning now for Crossville.
All right, let's check. Oh, this is that one that was previously warned.
Yep.
Where is it?
It's in Alabama.
Is it in and around Huntsville?
Tell them the radar. KGWX is the
yeah,
radar.
KGWX. Look at that radar.
KGWX. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, there it is. South. It's in western Alabama.
Yeah.
That's nice velocity.
Oh, there is some decent rotation with that. Yeah, radar indicated no debris ball still, so I'm not too concerned about it, but you never know. It could be a funnel cloud. And it is going to pass Fayette just to the north, although there is some population in those areas, so they could be impacted by it.
That other one, the other tornado warning storm.
Yeah.
That hook, I don't even know if it's a hook, but that is just it's huge.
Which one? The Iwara one?
Yeah, it just exploded.
Oh, dang.
Hey, I'm looking at it. Hail now over an inch. Holy moly! Let's see the rotation. The rotation's not very strong, but hail now over an inch. And also on that brand new tornado warning that just got issued, HQ on the east side of it in the green, winds of around negative 38 touching positive 28.
That is decent. It's
not the strongest area of rotation, but
it's something.
Obviously not. It's obviously something. So
yeah, it's something to watch.
Facts.
And I'm looking right now. The winds, in that one near Huntlands, they're still in the 80s.
Yeah, I do not think so. The highest right now I'm finding is around 76 and 77 negative.
Are you looking in those pixels?
Yes. Here, I'll zoom in more. Yep, the strongest one I can find right now is negative 77.
Yeah, if you look at my screen, I'm picking up 87, so I don't know. Unless mine is old. Oh,
No
yeah,
idea.
yeah, mine, a new product is loading, you're right. Yeah, you're right, 70s.
Yeah, currently I'm looking at the radar and the warning information. It's currently located near Newmarket or 11 miles northeast of Morris Hill, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This does include northeastern Madison County, north central Alabama, southeastern Lincoln County and Middle Tennessee, and last but not least, southern Franklin County and Middle Tennessee.
Just got updated.
Huh?
The warning just got updated for me.
The one near Huntland?
Yeah, it's not in Madison County anymore for me.
Okay.
Oh, it moved.
Manny, how's your channel doing?
Which one? In YouTube?
Yeah.
Horrible.
Horrible?
Yeah, because I don't post on it a lot. I need to get back into that.
Yeah,
Have
you
seen my
should.
channel?
Yeah, your channel is on fire right now.
Hard work pays off, and I'm gonna be interning with my mentor, chief meteorologist Ed Piotrowski on Monday.
Good.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yep. There's still a little bit of a bow hook. The east, I think the worst now is just hitting Huntland. The tornado activity, I think, is east of Huntland, but I think now the worst of the storm is now just hitting Huntland.
Yeah, there's also hail that's likely falling there in Huntland.
Not necessarily. There is definitely heavy rain. There could be some hail, but it's not confirmed just yet. Well, I mean, it was confirmed on GR Analyst, though.
Yeah. It maybe like it's either hail or rain, probably.
Right. Well, we can't, technically say it's definitely hail until we see that dark red on radar scope.
True.
Take a look here on 3D in Huntland. Right now, the clouds are up about 30,000 feet. The winds are going up now to 35,000 feet, and the strong relative. Wait, that's not what I'm looking at. What is the spectrum width I'm looking at here? Okay. I keep forgetting what SW is on 3D.
Oh.
Spectrum width.
I really wish hydrometer classification worked on GR Analyst.
For real. I would love it.
Mm-hmm. Look at 3D again. That rain is really intensifying.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm surprised there's no flood advisory or anything yet.
I'm not laughing at you guys. I'm laughing at something on Snapchat.
Okay. Yeah, the rotation's dying down in the Huntland one.
It looks more like it's blowing, maybe, or more of a wind threat.
Yeah, it is looking more like a wind threat at this point. They're gonna have to reissue that severe thunderstorm warning though. So expect a new one.
Yep. Brand new hail being reported southeast of Aurora, just under 0.60 inch.
Oh, I see that.
Yeah.
Because of the it's really close to the radar, or it's just going or more of a wind rep.
Yeah, you're
Man,
right.
am I
It is
subscribed
close
to
to
your
the
channel?
radar. Sorry, what do you say?
Am I subscribed to your YouTube channel, Manny?
I'm not sure.
Manny Man the Weatherman. I am not. You currently have 32 subscribers. And now you have 33.
Oh, thank you.
My
Whoa,
pleasure.
yellow TVS on GeoAnalyst. right at Huntland, there's a yellow TVS on GeoAnalyst.
What radar are you looking at? Like, what product?
Any doesn't matter. The yellow triangle, the upside down one.
Well, any doesn't work. You could be on a different radar.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
East of Huntland. Threshold?
Yeah. 25.0.
25.0. I don't have that much.
What does yours say?
What do you mean?
Like, what is your threshold?
Oh, 25.0. What is that? Wait, what does that mean?
I don't know. All I know is it's higher when the rotation's worse, I guess. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Actually, it is. Yeah, something's happening there. They're not connected, but there is like 50 touching 40-ish, but they're not
The
touching.
rotation on that tornado warning near Vernon has really broadened out. I think you can probably cancel it.
Vernon?
Yes.
Oh yeah, they could probably.
Radar site KGWX.
Yeah. Yeah, they could definitely cancel that. When does it expire?
Yeah.
They might just let it expire on its own in 13 minutes. We'll see.
Tree down and.
Well, I mean, look at the Brady radar scan HQ. There is not a single sign of rotation. There's not even anything that stands out.
True. Yeah, they can get rid of that.
I mean, the new radar scan doesn't show any signs of rotation. I mean, it's not even a strong storm.
Which one is this one?
The one near Vernon, southeast of Vernon. Radar site KGWX.
Oh, I see.
Not a single sign of rotation.
Oh, it's Kentucky. Okay.
Still some strong winds being. Looks like there's a stronger area of rotation now in that one near Huntlands on Radar Scope HQ.
Oh, there is?
Yeah, the greens are getting a little bit closer to the red. We're getting a little bit of interference from the radar side, but we're still getting. It still looks like a kind of an area of rotation, if you want to say the least.
Yeah. Yeah, there is something there. It is really close to the radar, though, so that's definitely messing it up.
Yeah, definitely. It's definitely got some interaction, so it's definitely getting messed up a little bit.
Mm-hmm. And it did expire that tornado warning that you were talking about earlier, Liam.
We are too good at our job.
So all that
421
remains is
subs.
1 tour and 2 severe. What do you say, Liam?
I just said I got another subscriber during that live stream.
Oh, nice. I got 1 earlier and then I lost it.
That's probably because YouTube, the partnership program, probably thought that you were going to get it, so they went ahead and gave you it, but you didn't actually get it, so they took it away.
The what?
So a lot of times, for a couple of times, I've had a lot of subscribers on my channel, and then I've lost it. I think the reason for that is because YouTube thinks that considering your channel is doing so well, that you're going to get those subscribers, within a time period, but if you don't actually get them, it takes it away.
Why did it give you random subscribers? I think it only gives you one if they click the button.
No, see, the thing is, what I'm trying to say is that I think the YouTube partnership program looks at your channel and sees your growth, and if it sees that you're getting a lot of subscribers every day, it will go ahead and give you them because will most likely already happen. But if it doesn't happen, then it'll take it back away. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. I think a new severe thunderstorm warning was just issued just to the north of Athens.
Athens.
Near Harriman and Oak Ridge. Yeah. Wind 60, penny-sized hail, and tornado possible. Population is about 138,000. What do you say, Manny?
How's that Athens? It's not even close.
What are you talking about?
You said Athens.
I said
HQ,
north
I
of
Athens.
Athens.
Right near HQ, right near Crab Orchard. I'm seeing winds right now on radar scope upwards of negative 89 miles per hour southeast of Crab Orchard.
Where is Crab Orchard? Oh, I see.
It's in the most north. It's in the most northeastern severe thunderstorm warning. Right
Yeah,
where
I
that
see.
dark blue is. Oh, brand new severe thunderstorm warning just came up. That's probably the one you were just talking about.
Yeah, there's no good radar tower for this one.
I'm on right now. Oh shit, what am I on? I'm on KMRX.
Yeah, that's what I just switched to. Slightly closer.
Pea-sized hail being reported just to the east of Lake Tansy. Quarter of an inch size hail.
Oh, I see that.
Huntland is now in the middle of extremely heavy rain.
I could see that. It looks like most of it's already past them, though. No?
In Huntland?
Yeah.
No, they're in the middle of extremely heavy rain on GR Analyst.
Yellow and red?
Yeah, dark red.
Are we seeing the same thing?
I don't see that.
Yeah, look at my screen, Liam.
I'm getting a new update. Hang on a second. 3, 2. Let's see here. Yeah. Wait, it's downloading. Hang on a second. Yeah, they're still in the middle of very heavy rain. Y'all want me to show you my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't see him.
Here, I'll turn my camera on and I'll put it at my computer. Right there, see?
Huh?
Huh?
Right there.
Is that old?
Wait, I'm old.
That's old.
Go to the top and press the most. The most.
Push the right arrow at the top.
Okay, but it's still in red.
What?
The farthest one. The farthest.
Yeah, the farthest one, like the farthest arrow. The arrow with the line.
Oh, yeah, now it's out. Never mind.
There you go, yeah. It was old for some reason.
They were in extremely heavy rain, though.
They were, yeah, and I'm surprised there's no flood advisory for them. Usually for things like that, they do.
That? Oh, shit, you know what? I need to go to my Google Doc, because I remember seeing, there was some product on what's it called? GR Analyst that actually shows you how much rain is falling, like where the heaviest rain is falling.
Which one is that?
Let's see here.
New tornado watch has been issued for Alabama, Georgia, and North Carolina.
ZDR. Let's see here. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
ZDR.
Heavy rain there.
This is when my Google site comes. This is when my Google Doc comes in handy.
Yeah.
Okay, 39 seconds ago, a brand new tornado watch has now been issued. This includes Huntsville, Albertville, Calhoun, Chattanooga, Athens, Knoxville, and Morristown. This does expire. This goes all the way until 3 a.m. Eastern Central Time. A couple of strong tornadoes are possible. Isolated hail up to quarter-size hail. Scattered wind gusts upwards of 70 miles per hour. 3,234,853 people, 917 schools, and 78 hospitals and medical centers.
is low. Weird. We need more.
Did you just retweet that, HQ?
Yeah.
Or no, you quoted it.
Yeah, same thing.
All right, well, I retweeted your quote.
Okay. What the heck is going on here? Yeah, I don't know about that rotation in the Huntland warning one. It's kind of not looking as good as it was.
Okay, what was that?
I don't know. Manny?
USwx.
I'm here.
Are you good?
Yeah, I like dropped my microphone off the edge of the desk, but it's fine.
Sounds like something HQ would do, not gonna lie.
I've done that before.
Hey, HQ, you know who I think would do that?
Who?
You know who exactly I was talking about last night. Don't say his name.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that video last night was so funny.
Yeah. Yeah, just thinking about it makes me laugh, honestly.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so that tornado warning expires in 4 minutes. The last one. So after that, we should be tornado warning free, hopefully, for a little bit.
From your mouth to God's ears.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the area rotation has really gotten broader. It was a lot more tight. It was much. Let me say this. Let me rephrase this. It was much tighter near Huntland, but now it's broadened out and it's getting better, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
How long have you been live for?
About 2 hours, I think.
Yeah, my computer crashed because somebody was asking me in the comments if I could play a future radar for Winchester, and then as soon as I went to AccuRadar or the Weather Channel, my computer crashed and I had to start my live stream over 2 times.
Dang.
Tell me about it.
New severe thunderstorm warning for.
There's a brand new report of. It's just north of Huntsville. It almost looks the warning symbol looks like a lightning bolt with an arrow just below it in a green box. Multiple reports of storm damage in Hazel Green, including trees and power lines down, along with structural damage.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's a wind report.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Huntsville, Tor, and Madison, Alabama.
Oh, I see that. Yeah, new one was just issued.
Is that where that warning is for Moulton and Decatur?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. NWS just posted something from the SPC. Tornado watch valid until 3 p.m. They just posted the warning along with the radar. If you want to quote that or tweet that, HQ.
Yeah, I'll just retweet it.
Yep, same here. Too sexy for you. I'm pulling up the wind speeds on that warning that has that wind damage report on it.
Okay.
Oh shoot! Whoa, dang. Strongest wind gust I can find currently right now. 92 miles per hour.
Dang, that's strong.
Dylan Allen just posted on Facebook that tornado watch until 3. Oh.
Who's he again?
Remember about the dude who we were talking about last night and Dylan Allen?
Oh.
They supposedly own Carolina Weather Authority, which is not true.
Yeah.
Which you know is not true at all.
Well, obviously.
Too sexy for your journey. Too sexy for mine. Danny, did you make it to midnight last night?
Yes.
Lit, my guy. Whoa! 103 miles per hour I just found.
I fell asleep till 3 o'clock and then woke up at 4 and couldn't go back to sleep. So.
HQ, did you hear me that I said 103 miles per hour?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. of them.
Oh, new severe thunderstorm warning just issued ahead of that tornado warning. Tornado possible. So they're still acknowledging that area rotation.
But there is no area rotation on, well, at least not on radar scope.
Well, maybe because the radar tower is like directly.
Oh, wait. There was like a brand new area rotation that formed, and then it disintegrated.
Also, the warning expires in 1 minute.
HQ, replay your radar on radar scope on that tornado warning. How the original area rotation disintegrated, but then another one formed just to the east of it, and then it disintegrated again.
Was that like 1 frame?
It had to be, at least. Do you see what I was saying, though?
Yeah.
Let's hope tonight's not another Mayfield, Kentucky tornado night.
I'm guessing not, because it's only enhanced. Oh, dang. Lots of comments.
Was it moderate on the Mayfield one?
Yes. There was a moderate on the Mayfield.
Gotcha.
Matt Rounds said, hi, I'm also into weather. LOL, tornado. New severe thunderstorm warning, multiple tornado warnings, another severe thunderstorm warning, and looks like an EF1 near KHTX. I mean, at one point they were kind of strong, although I wouldn't go rating things.
Yeah, if you want HQ, I can keep up with the live chat if you want.
Yeah, that'd be great. I guess I just missed so much stuff over the past 5 minutes.
Yeah, I got you. Don't worry.
Yeah, so everything is looking better. There was tornado warnings issued earlier. All of them have expired. And now there's just a few severe thunderstorm warnings.
My audio is in this, right? And is in the live chat? I mean, is it in the live stream?
Oh, yeah, your audio's on. Another spam comment, everyone. Please do not click that link.
I'll, HQ, make me a moderator and
No, why did it?
You're already a monitor, by the way. Although I just got rid of it anyway, so.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, Matt Rounds just commented, at, HQ, he said, oh yeah, and also this is a setup for a major tornado. Wait, is this a setup for it? He asked is this a setup for a major tornado outbreak or just a small tornado set? Honestly, I would just say small.
Yeah, I would not say a major tornado outbreak. I know earlier there was one tornado that was pretty strong. Although I don't think it's gonna be anything major. It's not gonna be anything like Mayfield.
No, definitely not. We could see a couple of maybe EF0s, EF1 max, but we're not gonna see anything higher.
Yeah, I'm guessing on the side of warnings. I'm guessing maybe 1 PDS, and then the rest are just confirmed and radar indicated. I doubt there'll be a tornado emergency tonight.
Hey, by the way, HQ, you might want to change the link in your in the description of your website because it's not letting me click that. I mean, I know what your website is just off the top of my head, but for people, you can't just like click that www thing.
Yeah, I'll change that.
Just to let you know.
Okay.
Wait, you have my channel link in here?
Yeah.
Oh, geez. Okay, thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
Matt Rounds commented, oh, good, I saw an EF1.
It disappeared?
I have no... Yeah.
No.
Yeah, well, remember that we can't confirm the strength of a tornado without or before the National Weather Service goes out and surveys it.
Yep.
So I wouldn't say you saw an EF1, but...
I got kicked out of a server.
Alright,
let's take a look at this storm near,
we can think that it's, this type of rating and it has this amount of winds, but until the NWS gets there and actually gets an official server, we can't say it's official.
Yeah.
Matt Brown's commented, yup.
Yeah, I guess that was just his... I think EF1 was just his prediction or something.
Most likely.
Yeah, everything is calming down. Honestly,
That's
like,
good. We needed to calm down. I mean, this was already a very active start to 2022. We don't need to be any more active. This was already. I mean, look at last month.
oh yeah, last month was crazy.
You had that Mayfield's outbreak, then you had that one in the northern plains, and then you had all the record high temperatures all across the nation. I mean, what more? I mean, how many more records could we set last December? Matt Brown just commented, I just see a few severe thunderstorm warnings and watches, and that's it. Yes, that's exactly right.
Yeah, and one flash flood warning in Hawaii, but
I thought.
Yeah,
Wait, what?
that's not in the area that we're currently live streaming.
There's a thunderstorm watch? Where?
I don't think there is. I think you meant tornado watch.
Oh, okay. I was about to say. I know I didn't miss anything. You want them?
But yeah, like 3 of the warnings right now expire in 10 minutes, so
That's great.
yeah, it's possible that we could be seeing a lot coming down. I wonder.
Well, just know that even if there's no warnings, it doesn't mean that the storms aren't still strong or severe.
Yeah, true.
There's still going to be a lot of very heavy rain. There could be a couple of straight line wind events, and maybe, you never know, there could be a tornado, because I mean, you never know. I mean, I've seen hundreds of tornadoes that have came without warnings.
Oh yeah, yeah, I've seen them.
Just know that just because there's not a warning for a particular system doesn't mean that it's not dangerous or it's not life threatening.
Oh yeah, that happened to me before.
Yeah.
It's weather in general, people. Yo, is Sonic open at this time of night? I'm about to go get some food. Let's see here.
Probably.
I hope not. Wait. Oh, they're open. They close at 10. Okay, might as well go there. Alright, I'm actually gonna get some food. I'll be back in a little bit.
Alright, yeah, just feel free to rejoin whenever.
Alright, see you.
Alright, see ya. Alright, so let's get back to the coverage. You good?
Why does it keep pressing that?
Looks like one of those normal storm lines we get all the time here. Most of the time, not tornadoes, but who knows. Yeah, it does look like just an everyday storm line, honestly. Although, something could be forming later.
Bam, bam, bam. By the way, I just sent you something. In VMs.
DMs? If it's snow, then I know. Just snow. I know.
The Euro's finally showing it.
Mm-hmm.
Finally. I just posted a forecast on the morning all day long.
Alright, let's take a look. Never mind. Yeah, so things are calming down.
People, I'll give you hints to something that I've made in the future. So, because it's winter, this is literally, I made my own color table for, it's called Snow View, my interactive snow map.
Okay. You think you could just use precipitation prediction?
Nah, it's called Snow Map, and then made it on my own.
Is that even interactive?
No.
I mean, you could interact with it by clicking on it and...
Doing videos with it, yes.
Yeah, you can click on it and it won't respond.
And then...
A bus stop forecast, top weather forecast.
I gotta make a forecast on this for Monday.
Alright.
Is there any holidays on Monday?
No.
No. Usually I have Monday something Monday.
Anyone else can new Storm Prediction Center Alec was just posted.
Light, marginal.
Enhanced.
For what? There's nothing. I mean, besides wind. I mean, is that the threat? Just wind, 30%.
No, it's tornado. Hail threat's like gone now. It's only 5%. But wind is 30 and tornado is 10% significant.
Not even tornadoes.
Sam237 just asked, is any snow coming to Georgia? I'm sorry to say this, but no snow.
God, sorry, buddy.
Yeah.
Don't want to. I'm gonna just, maybe. What do you say? Northern Jersey?
Just Georgia in general.
I thought you said northern Georgia.
No. The only thing that's coming to Georgia is some storms, honestly. Storms and rain.
I'm gonna look at Georgia in general then. Maybe the mountains, dude. Maybe northern Georgia. Maybe.
How far out is that?
One day.
Maybe the extreme upper elevations possible.
North. Well, actually, yeah, extreme north. Even Alabama too. Extreme north.
What model is it?
GFS.
Alright, we can't guarantee anything. Put it that way.
Look at the Euro. Euro is saying mainly northern. Yep, Euro is saying northern Georgia.
If I look at the model right now and see nothing.
You can look. The GEFS says the same thing. Northern Georgia.
And of course, we're getting off topic right now.
You can look at GFS. You can look at Euro. Well, he asked the questions. Dude, that's not snow.
I'm just seeing if it's cold enough for snow. Wait, tomorrow?
No, Monday. Does that look like snow to you? Just asking.
I don't know about that. That is a little bit, yeah, I don't know if that, I wouldn't guarantee anything.
Yeah, I don't think that's the number.
That's like extreme North Georgia.
Yeah, extreme North Georgia, so that's good for
And
you.
it's a little.
For the mountains, so if you are in the mountains of extreme North Georgia,
A little snow is possible.
a few flurries are possible.
Okay.
With a few snow accumulations, like at the trace.
What is a few snow accumulations?
Some traces are, maybe
Some traces? You mean a trace?
A few traces, a trace is possible. Okay.
All for 30%. Wind is a bit of Georgia. See, in Mississippi. Yeah. Yeah, not much going on. Everything's actually calming down at this point. Like nothing new is being issued. Is this it?
Maybe.
It can't be. What about the other line?
Other line.
Yeah, the second line.
Oh yeah, that you don't know if it's gonna be severe.
I mean,
Hopefully not.
it will likely be tornadic because that's what everyone's
Hopefully
saying.
not. Because
Hopefully not, but it's possible. It's likely that there will be some tornadoes. Or at least a rotation with that. There was a special weather statement just issued for strong thunderstorms, although nothing severe. 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts.
there was a what?
A new special weather statement issued. Right here, it's a little hard to see, but this is like the area. Right here, that is the special weather statement. it's issued for 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and that's it. No hail threat, maybe some lightning strikes, and some heavy rainfall, and those 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Mostly just Matt Reynolds just said mostly just a summer storm in winter with a few EF zeros and some winds. Yeah.
Is that what it looks like now? Yep. Maybe some icing too. I should put some ice in there. I'm putting maybe a little bit more north.
And Manny, I know you were wondering, do you know those boxes on tornado and severe thunderstorm watches?
What?
You know, like on radar scope, they show the boxes instead of the full watch.
The boxes?
Yeah, for like tornado watches, they're like boxes.
Oh yeah.
They're actually the watch.
I know. No duh. I mean,
Like, that is the watch area. Even if it goes outside of the counties.
well, it kind of isn't because they do the counties
No, it is.
of the watch.
It's true. The counties are the watch. But the box is a different kind of watch. The box is the aviation watch.
Mm-mm. How does that affect people? It's aviation.
Yeah, but it's technically a tornado watch. So if I wasn't in the counties, but the box includes me, I'm in a tornado watch, for example.
Who told you this?
No one. It's common knowledge.
Aviation.
It's the
does not affect
aviation.
people.
It's the aviation
No.
watch.
I'm not sure about that.
Look it up. If I look up aviation tornado watch, that's.
I think you need to think about the knowledge. Or, I don't know. That is not true. That's not true. There's no way.
Nothing comes up, but still.
You're gonna have to contact someone from the National Weather Service to get that information. Because I don't think that's true.
It's a tornado watch.
I know, but it doesn't affect aviation.
It does.
Mm-mm.
What do you mean it doesn't affect aviation?
No, I mean like the watch.
It does.
No, I mean like the box. Like I think that they have their own warning from the aviation center.
Yeah, but that's the watch.
So if you went on the aviation center website, you'd see the watch.
No,
there.
that is SIGMET alerts. That's significant meteorology alerts, not watches.
Well, you just said that it's that, so that's why I'm asking.
They're different things. If you look at the watch text, do you know what it says at the bottom?
No, because I don't have it.
Yes, you do. Open radar scope. Click it. At the bottom, it says aviation.
I don't have tier 2.
Huh?
I don't have tier 1.
You don't need tier 2 to see the watch information.
I don't have tier 1.
Oh, you don't have the watches. I don't know. Look at something else then. New special marine warning just issued for the it's in between Maryland and Delaware. I mean, Maryland and Maryland and Virginia.
What about it?
There's a special marine warning there.
For who?
I just told you.
Who? Maryland and Virginia?
Between Maryland and Virginia, the Bay.
Chesapeake?
Yes.
Oh, the northern Chesapeake.
Oh, dang, there's some strong storms.
I told you that. I literally said there's a chance for thunderstorms tonight.
No, I know that. I'm just saying, like, right now. I thought it was going to be later, like 12.
No, it's going to be around like 9 and 10 o'clock.
By the time it hits our area, it's going to be later.
No, around us. 10, 9 o'clock.
Oh, the miles were wrong.
It's 8 o'clock.
Whatever. It's 8:20.
Look how fast they're moving, too. I mean, they could be here by 9 and 10 o'clock.
Maybe later on the end of that, closer to 10, but still, yeah.
Oh, that better be warned. What do the winds look like?
That's not. There is a little bit of rotation on that storm near Decatur, Trinity. Yeah, there's a little rotation. Very strong winds with it.
Sorry, dropped my microphone.
You're fine. Alright, so tornado warning just issued.
Tornado warning just issued.
There's a tornado warning now for Decatur, Whiteside, Mooreville, Priceville, Trinita, Madison, Huntsville, Normal, and Owens Crossroads. There is a new tornado warning. This is radar indicated and no hail threat with the storm.
Ooh, look at that rotation.
But definitely some rotation there. And no CC drop, which is definitely very good news. So this tornado is likely not on the ground at the moment. Matt Ron said, oh wow, some more isolated summer storms in Delaware. Yeah. But yeah, this is something to watch. A new tornado warning. Another EF0 tornado near Princeville. I think you mean Priceville. But yeah, we don't. Yep. I mean, we don't know if it's on the ground though.
Where?
Near Priceville.
Price?
Priceville, yes.
Christ?
Priceville.
Price.
Yes, Price.
Okay, Priceville. They said Christville.
No, near Mooresville.
Yeah, I see.
Could be a funnel cloud.
Where? Enrock?
No. Yes, and Rot too, but just in general, there could be a funnel cloud.
Oh. Priceville? Why not Morrisville?
Either one.
Oh, I was just asking. We're dying? Oh. I was just kidding, guy. Don't think that.
Alright, leave the meet and rejoin.
Me?
No, leave and rejoin the meet. Yes. And there you go. Our time limit is gone.
You can do that?
Yeah. Genius, right?
Never better. The Euro finally shifted north. Finally.
It looks like we have a TVS possible.
We're gonna see snow.
TVS.
Oop, never mind.
And very strong winds.
Jack.
Although the rotation is a bit broad.
went up the hill.
So I'm not sure what's going on with that. It is a bit broad and right over Mooresville.
Jack and Jill. You know Jack and Jill, right?
Yeah, sure. So I'm not too concerned about this tornado warning right now over Mooresville, as it is very broad at the moment. Let's see, when does this warning expire?
Jack and Jill went up the hill.
This warning expires in 20 minutes. Stop, Manny, stop. Keep it together.
No, I just see, like they're finally showing snow for one, but then you might be right. And then, you know how we went up with that bet, like if we actually get a snowstorm, you'd be right for one.
If we actually get a snowstorm?
We could potentially get a snowstorm Monday and
If we get more than an inch of snow, both of us.
No. You know what? Now you're making me not want to have snow when I want snow. Yeah, I remember we have to have at least 1 inch of snow, and then I forget what the bet was, but
Both of us have to have it.
hold on, I'm gonna go get a hammer and break my weather station. I'll be right back.
What?
I'm just kidding. I don't want to do that. I wouldn't. Oh, fine. I just want to experience it for once. What? Huh? That doesn't make sense.
So, we're looking pretty good. All the warnings, all the severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings all expire 1:45Z. So, everything's looking pretty good.
Yep.
So, 18 minutes for all of them.
Yep.
Stop doing that. And it looks like we might have an M-Ping report coming in.
Agreeing.
I'm sorry?
No! I hate this, actually. Literally, I'm gonna cry. How does that look? Does that look good? That's my final graph.
Yeah, it's fun.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay, now I just gotta change the heading. And I can't believe we just did that. I just gotta change the heading.
Matt Rouse said no hook echo. I think that means it's not a severe tornado. No hook echo. Yeah, that probably means it's not even. Yeah, it's falling apart.
What's today's date?
I'm not even sure if it's a tornado at this point. There is definitely a decent rotation, but. Sorry, what did you say, Manny?
What's 3rd?
What's today's date? The 1st.
Set up. No. I mean, the winter setup, day. It's January 3rd.
Day 3? 3rd, yeah.
Yeah, 3rd.
Yeah, everything's calming down, honestly. I don't even know how this severe thunderstorm is even being marked severe. We'll take a closer look at this one. But I don't know if this is even severe any longer.
So, people, I think you should, oh my god. I just looked on YouTube, and then the chat just went all the way down. Because so many people are commenting.
It's actually mostly one person, but yeah. Actually, this line is kind of well organized here near Harriman.
Okay, look at my screen. I will share my screen. I want to show them the threat on January 3rd.
Okay.
Tell me when you're done.
Yeah, they're looking.
Oh, okay. So people. There is a chance for, here's January 3rd winter setup. There is a chance a chance that we could see some snow in southern New Jersey, southeast Pennsylvania, Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, and North Carolina. Now you can see that darkest blue. That is where the strongest or the heaviest of that snow will be. Then you see the pink. That's the sleet or freezing rain. Right there for Virginia, as well as Maryland, Delaware, and southern New Jersey. And honestly, if you are in Richmond, watch out for that heavy snow as well. And then we have rain potentially for the North Carolina area and the extreme South Virginia area and East Maryland as extreme East Maryland. And yeah, we could also see some snow in Charlotte as well, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, Richmond, Raleigh, and then rain for Norfolk, and maybe even Fayetteville.
Yeah, alright, can we wrap this up?
Forecast amount, we have a 3 inches for that snow in total, not just for our area, but for total. And then 1 inch for rain along the Carolinas, Delmarva area. You may proceed.
Alright, so new question coming in from Matt Rounds. He said, I have a question. How good is Radar Scope without the pro subscription? I'm thinking about getting the app. I don't know what to say. Radar Scope is an incredible app. It is honestly worth the $5-10 it is on the App Store. I don't know how much it is exactly, but it is worth it, even if you don't have the pro subscription. Because I started out without the pro subscription. It gives you all the basics, all velocity, correlation coefficient, everything you're really gonna need.
As long as your friends don't make fun of you, like some. Okay. Make sure that you have good friends when you get it, and that you have. Don't be like some people.
Me?
Not just you.
I have good friends. They don't care.
Yeah. See, some friends, some people. Be aware.
Are you hinting Liam?
No. If anything, he's better than the person peoples I'm talking about, and it's not really you. So yeah.
I don't know who you're talking about, but whatever. I would definitely recommend the app even without it, because I started without the pro subscription. You get everything. You get warnings, all the products, and most of the stuff. Honestly. So yeah, I'd definitely get it.
Be careful out there, though.
Manny, stop. So Manny, look at the rotation near Trinia. The rotation has gotten a lot worse.
Yeah, it's getting.
And there is something like possibly a debris ball. Maybe some dust being thrown up.
What?
Matt Rounds said, but is it worth $30 from getting it on computer? Well,
is it what?
Worth $30, Radar Scope.
Is it worth $30 on getting it on computer? No. I think it's worth 10.
It is worth 30. Honestly, I'd say it is worth 30 on computer.
No, it's not.
It is. It's really useful. If you
it's not.
If you start out without having a radar software, what are you gonna get? What are the options? GR Analyst that costs $250?
It's 30. Why? Okay, yeah, you got enough money.
If you want to get it on a computer, then yeah, it's definitely worth $30. But if you want to save money and get it on mobile, you get just about all the same stuff. You don't get much more on computer.
That's just too much.
it's just easier to use on computer, like especially if you want to get into streaming or if you ever want to, I don't know.
Dude, look at my screen. Good morning, Atlanta. I mean, after good night.
All right, I don't want to get copyright. Can you turn this off?
Yeah, I did.
But yeah, I'd say it is worth around $30 probably. That is if you really want to get it on computer.
Why so much?
I don't know why it's significantly more on computer.
They just want more money.
I mean, it is one of the most. It is the cheapest radar software.
Unless... What?
It is the cheapest radar software. Computer.
No, it's not. Radar Omega's free.
No, you need a subscription to use it on computer.
Yeah, but you need to get it off. You have to use it off of your phone, and that's only I think $8 or $10.
Yeah, if you have to buy it on your phone, then you have to buy the lowest subscription, and then you have to get it for free.
Which is only about $20.
Yeah, the app is like $8 plus 20 is like $28. They're practically the same. Plus, Radar Omega is a subscription. So technically, Radar is better because it's $30 forever.
Maybe
It is better. It's cheaper.
just
For computer, yeah. Maybe on mobile. Radar Omega is pretty similar, but
just be aware, dude. Really be aware.
all right. We only have one more severe thunderstorm warning and one more tornado warning left. Now we're gonna stay on this tornado warning now because it is not looking that good. Now, both of them do expire in 8 minutes, although we will continue coverage, and I feel like they might extend the tornado warning a bit.
I feel like we're gonna have a severe thunderstorm warning over here.
Where? Hold on.
What?
Had to
Yeah, I
reset.
think we're gonna have a severe thunderstorm warning over in our area, maybe.
Oh, maybe. I don't know.
Things are ramping up. Yay!
Yeah, I might end the stream around 9 because we might want to track local weather, maybe talk to Liam or something.
Finally. We could finally. Wait, what'd you say?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I said later. I said around 9 I might end the stream.
Okay.
Just because there isn't much happening right now at the moment. And
Well, what if it comes earlier?
I might, if nothing is happening or sooner, then I'll turn it off. If they just allow the tornado warning to expire.
Okay.
Did my radar scope just crash?
Yo, radar scope just crashed on me.
That's weird.
Let me open it again. Never mind, it's working now.
Yeah, it's working. Just a glitch.
For everyone. So is this the line?
Back there? Yeah.
No, the whole thing. Cause I see. Never mind.
Yeah, I think this storm here, it's really just strong wind threat now. It's not even a tornado threat. There's no rotation. It's actually just it's all just strong winds. They can expire this tornado warning very soon. Any minute they could expire this.
You know it's raining at your house?
Mhm.
Okay. Making sure that you're up to... You know, are you actually a weather enthusiast?
I don't know. I haven't checked.
Or a weather geek?
Same thing.
Are you a meteorologist?
No.
Good, you know that.
Nor are you.
I know.
Alright, just making sure.
What do you have to do to be a meteorologist?
Get at least a 4-year degree.
A what?
Get at least a 4-year degree.
Okay, good, you know. Alright. Anyone in the chat? We're gonna have trivia.
No. Do not do this, Manny. No. We're not doing that.
Does anyone know what TWC stands for? Anyone in the chat? No.
Manny. No.
This is the only one. TWC, anyone?
Can mean many things.
The Working Center. The Witcher Center.
The Weather Center.
Center. The White Center. The Wooding Center.
We're not doing this. We're not doing trivia.
Someone said in the chat.
No.
TWC? Did you see?
Yes.
Yes, I know. Yes, we know. But it's not what you said. Any weather people know what TWC?
There's only 3 people watching. One of them is probably you. One of them is probably me. And one of them is probably Liam. No.
No. Well, I'll give you the answer if someone at least says I tried in the chat.
Let's not do trivia, Manny.
Okay.
A new severe thunderstorm warning was just issued.
No, there wasn't.
Or updated, I mean.
Oh.
This tornado warning will expire in 4 minutes.
Hey, that's a good one. Texas Weather Center.
Close.
You're close. Just think of Atlanta, maybe. Say you give up in the chat so I can say it and we can get with the severe stuff.
Alright, the tornado warning was just expired. Atlanta Weather Center. That is the closest one yet.
Atlanta Weather Center.
Can't get any closer than that. You can't get any closer than that.
You can't really. That's the closest you can get, but it's not correct. I'll say it to you guys. It's the awesome, the best, the most defined and divine.
They got it right.
Matt Rounds, you got it right. The Weather Channel, which is located in Atlanta.
Well, now there's only one severe thunderstorm warning issued. And only one special weather statement, which is in effect till 8 p.m. 15 more minutes on that. So then one expires at 2:30 Zulu.
Zulu, hallelujah.
So we have our 46 minutes on that.
I went to Mount Pocono over the week. For 2 days.
Can we stay on topic?
And you know, it was really foggy. So for all the
It's
people who are-
California weather just said it's my trivia time.
Who?
California weather.
My trivia time. Okay. See, look how many people joined after me saying trivia time.
Finish the ending.
Finish the ending. Jeez, I'm scared now.
California is better.
California is better
Than what?
than Florida?
No.
Better than Florida.
I don't know what that though. Forest be nice.
Is this weather related?
I don't know.
Trivia time. What? Oh my gosh.
What? Their name?
No, I mean like it's all in caps.
They're serious about their trivia. What can I say?
Please, weather related.
Yeah, I think right now is as quiet as it's gonna be.
Oh, I was right. California is better than Florida. You know, I have a trivia question. What goes through hurricanes and comes out of hurricanes?
Air.
No.
Almost everything.
No. The aircraft, the hurricane hunters.
Okay. I mean, a lot of things go in and out of hurricanes, though.
What happened to trivia time? That's gonna do good.
We're not doing Kahoot.
you know, we could do a weather Kahoot if you guys agree.
I'm losing control of the stream.
I know.
Also, the channel just hit a milestone. We just hit 290 subscribers. Thank you so much, everyone, for subscribing to the channel.
205? Wow.
290.
Oh, 290, okay.
Among Us just said, my dad owns Roblox and Minecraft.
No, there's no way, because you would be verified. Ha 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 ha. My dad's Santa. We're not even gonna go there. We're not even gonna go there.
We're not going there. Alright, well, real quick, I'm gonna give an update on this storm that's impacting Huntsville right now. This storm is impacting Huntsville with heavy rainfall, wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, and some hail possibly reaching up to about 1 inch in diameter, slightly higher than 0.75 inch. All these threats are radar indicated and not confirmed with this storm. And yeah, the main threats are winds, hail, and heavy rainfall, and maybe a few lightning strikes as well.
Good for you. You look happy. Okay. Please, someone.
Rotation?
Say Kahoot, weather Kahoot.
We need more than one person say it.
More than one person needs to say weather Kahoot. Come on. It's Saturday.
I mean, true, and I mean, the storms are weak, but...
And we're about to get hit by some, so yeah.
Very gusty winds, up to 80 miles per hour on this storm. I don't see a rotation.
If Among Us says something, if he says that, then we're doing that. Someone.
Someone just said weather Kahoot.
Weather Kahoot, let's go. Wait, Olivia Rodrigo, what the heck?
Alright, I guess we have
We
to
have
do it.
2 people saying Weather Kahoot. You guys are.
Matt Rounds says, why is nothing happening? I don't know. Hopefully things will shoot up later, but and everyone wants to weather. I mean, we can do it.
Right now.
We can do it. I might finish off the stream with it, but we can do it. I guess
Okay,
since
we're
everyone wants it.
Do it right now. He's doing it. 4 people have said Weather Kahoot. We will send the link in the chat.
Oh, if I can even get it to work. So many advertisement things for this thing. Alright, let's see. Severe weather.
Yeah, severe weather. That's good. 15 questions.
Alright, there we go.
That put us through the end of this stream.
Alright, we can do it. What is this? I don't care. I mean, the code is in chat. Alright, the link is in chat. Did not think we'd end off the stream with a weather Kahoot. Where is Liam?
Who said that?
Huh?
Who said that?
I'm surprised. I wonder if Liam's just gonna join it like the last minute and be like, "You did a weather Kahoot without me." Like what?
And then we're gonna, and then, oh no, and then he's gonna join, and then we're gonna be at the end, and then everyone else is, and then we're gonna have to do it again because he wants to play one. I know how things work out. I predict the future a lot. I got that. I'm in. Mr. Dog. Mr. Dog. HQ?
Yep.
Look at my screen.
Yeah, I see. Storms.
And that's not it. Look at this. Look at that. That's an indication of some strong winds. But it's not only that. There's some inroute on it too. And not only
Alright,
that.
we'll look at that later.
Yeah, we'll look at it later.
Alright, last call if anyone wants to join.
Who?
I said last call if anyone wants to join.
Last call, people. Come on, come on, come on. Raise your hands in the air. Let's go. Raise your hand in the air.
I'll wait till 54.
What? 4 people.
So 1 more minute. Among us just said, my dad owns Kahoot.
Someone subbed.
Thanks. We just did 292. Wow, thank you. Yeah, it means a lot. Alright, less than a minute. We'll start.
It's 8:54. I guess you guys can just watch. Come on. Start it.
Among Us has to go. Holy Manny.
What is a thunderstorm?
The typical thunderstorm cloud is the cumulonimbus or thundercloud. Like many clouds, the cumulonimbus develops when warm air rises from the surface of the earth. As the warm air rises, it cools, and water vapor condenses into minute cloud
I am.
particles. In a thunderstorm, the updraft of warm air is rapid.
So, am I the only person who got it right? Okay. I mean, got the heavy rain part. Manny.
Yes.
You got the heavy rain part, right?
Yeah, Yep, I pressed the wrong thing.
What two conditions are necessary for thunderstorms to form? Is it red, cool air, cool, dry, and unstable air? Is it blue, cool, dry air, and stable air? Is it yellow, warm, moist air and unstable air? Or is it green, warm, moist air and stable air?
I better not have got this wrong. Yes!
Alright, so 2 got it right, and 1 person got it wrong.
The image is unmistakable. Lightning is one of the most incredible.
Matt Rouse, I had to leave the coup. I was stuck. Alright, that's okay.
It's a common occurrence during summer, but to this day, worldwide, it's estimated lightning occurs 50 to 100 times a second.
Alright, both of us got it correct.
Yes!
What is thunder?
I know it.
Manny, you didn't get it right.
Whoa. How?
What is the leading cause of weather-related deaths?
Where's the Kahoot? What?
Did you say lightning strikes?
Hurricanes.
No, not hurricanes.
Because they have storm surge.
I know, but I guess flash flooding is the correct answer.
He's cheating, guys.
I'm not cheating. Why can material be sucked up into a tornado?
I'm done. I pressed the wrong thing. Pressed the wrong thing.
I pushed the wrong thing too. I pushed green.
I pressed orange.
I knew it was low pressure. I just accidentally pushed the wrong one.
I meant to press green. When does the funnel cloud become a tornado? You know, if you just
When does a
skip
funnel
it,
cloud become a tornado? Did everyone answer?
Yeah, you can just skip it.
But there's 3 people playing, I think.
There's only
3.
You got it wrong. Yes.
I got it
Go.
right.
Oh, let's not go.
about 75% of the world's tornadoes happen in.
We know this one. Yep. We know that from the last Kahoot we played on in your server.
Mm-hmm.
I'm catching up.
Why don't hurricanes form far south or far north of the equator?
Oh, I forget this one.
Violent winds, driving rain, killer.
Yes! I just need you to get one wrong.
Matt Rounds just asked if we can do another one. I would. The only thing is that we're probably gonna end the stream in a few minutes, so.
Oh, it's the water. It's the Caucasian deflection. Yeah. No, I know that for a fact.
Caption up, man. The eye of a hurricane is described as calm air that is.
I got it right.
I pushed the wrong one.
No, I could have won. I could have won. I could have won.
We both got it wrong.
I could have won. Bruh. That's easy.
Correct. What is a storm surge? Oh. You pushed the wrong one, right?
Maybe.
You better have. You should listen to weather reports during a storm because they will. Manny, you can't win. Thunderstorms, tornadoes, and hurricanes all come from this type of pressure and cloud.
It's green, 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 it's green.
Alright, let's check this out. Number 3 comes in Mr. Dog, still on the podium. Manny in second place. And HQ in first place. Me.
And God. Yes.
And our runners up is Matt Rounds, and I missed the last one. Can we go back? Yeah, I missed the wait. The runners up were Yo-Yo and Matt Rounds. Matt Rounds got 4th. Well, we're probably gonna end the stream now. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out here at the end of the stream. And yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I'm hoping that everyone will if you're in the areas that are being affected, you're staying weather aware and staying tuned to all your local news sources. And yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for coming into the stream and also subscribing. Thank you so much, everyone, for subscribing to the channel. It means a lot that you really are. And yeah, just brings me closer to my goal of 300 subscribers. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching and supporting the channel. And have an amazing day. Keep it together, Manny.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, and